So you depend this morning, baby girl?
No, I did there, I think about something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about something.
Of course, anything.
So sit down.
Mm-hmm. Oi.
Mommy, you know some things say, me I get bigger now and I want work. Yeah, because for the son I rely upon you, it don't really make no sense.
Wow. Wow. Me never expect to hear that when we wake up this morning. I'm proud of you. So what kind of work here look?
I don't know, you know, I go in a town to go see what I can get.
Mm-hmm. I'm proud of you. I that you for do. I that you for do.
Yeah. You know some I miss my friend though.
Mm-hmm. She gone high flying, Missy.
You see it?
Mm-hmm. You see her status so that me have to follow her upon.
She find one good man, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Over there, I take care of her and sitting.
So Missy, me happy for her, man. Me happy for her. Hey, better than that ragabone man. All him do is yam her out and rub out him hand middle and drink her out. So me glad she find a good man.
Me too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't worry, no look so down. It's gonna happen to you too. You see everything in its time.
I said, I want to find one man to, you know, mommy, who can bring me overseas and make me enjoy life, you know?
But you get your independence first. Cause you know rely upon...
What's your?
Thank you.
Girl,
Auntie Charlie.
Hello, baby.
I bring back some stuff for you, you know.
Oh, God.
Yeah,
Oh,
man,
wow.
I'm carry it right now because I'm not clear yet.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I bring something.
Are we happy again? What you say now?
So where they upon?
Look, my mama there, I talk to mommy, say, I want to go look one work.
Yeah, girl. It's best if you go look at work because you know it go already. Your mother not really have it like that. Can maintain the two on. I'm glad to see you starting conscious.
So when you come back,
You know, say the day before yesterday I come back.
are you not call me?
Girl, I did there at Kingston. At Kingston, I fly in, but I just come down here this man. I have to come look for you. I come, girl, I miss
Girl,
you.
I don't like how you come and you not call
No,
me.
man, girl, I just didn't want to surprise you.
Alright. So you're alright, though?
Yeah, mama, alright so far and thing.
So who is this man, Missy, pay your status? Yeah, blush like...
I be a things that go out with in a auntie. I'm soon to be husband. Him proposed to me, you know.
Girl, so me have to go buy a hat now. Me have big wedding for go to.
You know, for buying, you know, I got you.
I'm happy for
Yeah.
I
you.
want to be bridesmaid.
It can be anything where you want, be. Anything where you want. But remember a long time we are coming now?
Yeah, girl, I'm glad
You
to see you,
think a
though.
little things will go through, but you know, I just time. When you go get the work, as you say, and look about yourself so you can start traveling.
So you can go follow me to the like how you're there?
I can't follow you, yes, but you have to hold on. I have to collect some money, because you know, I want to tap on up.
I want something.
Yeah, man, I have something for you in the day, yeah, man.
Happy to see you, my
Look how
girl.
this day I talk
And you
about
fat
her.
and roll like England pound.
Sure,
You look
things
good.
Go out, you know. But anyways, I'm not coming for Terry, you know. I just come here for healing up the drive out there wait for me. Anyways,
Alright,
more
girl,
friend.
later.
Auntie?
All right,
Big up
baby girl.
yourself.
Welcome home.
Yeah, man, later.
Cause you look nice, man.
To run
I
away.
said, I want to go look nice too, you know, mommy. I'm tired of them life, yeah.
It will happen. Your time will happen, baby girl.
I'm tired for suffer, man. That take too long for happen.
Well, as you say, you go look the work, go look at work, and then you start get money coming in.
I'm going to look at man too. You know, tell me the part there.
No, me not tell you that part there. Go look at work.
But I'm not work make she nice, so. A man.
She live her life. You will live yours.
I want to live like her too.
You will get yours, here. Now look for your things outside. Look for it inside. And be independent.
That take too long.
No, baby girl. You see, from your start, you'll be surprised the blessing that will come. Are you going to have your job, or you going to have your business or whatever, and then you're going to start get your little money coming in. No, me not say little. You're going to get your big money. Me are talking it into reality.
When me get a big job.
When you get your big job or big business, man will come after man. Concentrate on one thing at a time, yeah?
Alright, man.
Alright.
Me go up on the road and yeah? Alright, later.
Alright.
Me I can't have anything.
Alright. Lord, make sure you get something.
Pinky. Yo, Pinky. Hello.
How
Yeah, come out your son, no, man. See son hot, man. You move so.
How the boy you want now?
Where are you deal with?
Me I go look work I want.
Me work can give, you know.
What kind of work?
Me house work can give, man. Can wash, cook, and clean.
For how much?
Don't worry about that, man. Just come up them just, you know, work out that.
You know me not like it though.
What do you mean you don't like me?
I don't like a bone in you. Me thank God some my friend left you. Are you did that wall I done?
Hold long, oh.
You did that wall down,
She did
Sean.
hold me down. The mind, she can't to maintain me, you know. You look at the money she have, all can buy a little weed and this and that. She can't to maintain me. So she run down.
You need to go look work too. You need to go look work too. A girl you want to mind you?
Get not really messy so. But from you can't just do it until me can't do it.
No, my friend
But
get a better man.
What?
You know see better man like on plane she a fly.
What do you mean?
What you mean what I mean? It's when I see me a pass, don't stop me again. I hear boy, don't stop me again. Alright.
She are deal with me. Alright, but I'm saying come back down and now. Alright.
Yeah, sleep out the place. When I sleep out the place till morning.
Where you come from?
I'm gonna look for my friend Pinky.
Friend Pinky.
What you mean about friend Pinky? I always tell about Pinky.
So, I don't really remember about that friend there.
Yeah, I have a friend on the road. She don't really know say I have some of this still, you know. But I tell her, say, a taxi bring me. We're going to surprise her from this car. We're going to do a housewarming party, you know. So I just she'll get the surprise.
So, I want to make, you know, tell her which I tell you. What happened?
No, because I want everybody find out at the same time when the housewarming party.
Oh, come here, I wonder if I wanted. We move like we wanted.
No, be what kind of wanted. Relax yourself, man. I'm going to sweep out the place. This is a woman's job.
That me love about you, no, babes. So, that friend is sound like a good friend, though.
Yeah, man, I'm a good friend. We have come from basic school. Best friend, no good friend, best friend. But take care of her and thing when we used to work. I make sure she's alright and her mother alright. So you know it go.
So, babes, when I go meet her?
So, you're not here to meet Pinky, so?
No, not here. Sound like a good friend, so I'm supposed to know you're a good friend. So,
of course, you have to know her. Remember, we are going married, you know, so she have to be a part of the bridal party. You have to meet Pinky, don't worry yourself.
That me I talk about. So, tell her what. Kind of days if you go up and you go doing a chum, you want to sweep out in here one time. Okay, you know, say, all of us can sweep out one time. You know, then we there. So, you want to get one more. What are with that, biz, man? What do you
Where are you going?
When I go up on the road, like, I ask you where you go?
I come from this area.
Come see no babes, man. A business mega deal with man and circle back like turtle back, you see me?
Alright, do your thing.
Alright, go on the right thing.
Yeah, man, don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Come see, man, I do effort, man. What do you, man?
Well on, I'm not sure mad that day. What must sip on our status? Hello? Hi. You don't see me?
Wow.
Good morning.
Good
Can get the time, please?
So, oh, you want time, man?
If phone dead, he dead.
He dead?
Yeah, he dead.
Not dead, man.
Just tell me the time now.
I make you come to me ask me time. I like me.
Maybe.
Smile nice, so.
Yeah, you're nice too.
God, no. So, where you come from?
I come from about the place.
What's your name?
My name Kamara.
So, yeah, glitch. So, before you tell me, stammer, it takes a long
Come
time.
and know you, I'm not just stranger.
Oh, that's a true still. I kind of new in that area still. I just want to know a place. I just check out the place. I'm so one shop. I say, you know.
I can show you, I can be a tour guide. So what your name?
Me didn't call Twep, man.
Twep. Oh, so Twep, I can't buy me something for drink. I can't take the dry throat reason.
How do you man not a normal free?
So,
Pick up and swizzle pick. That's all you want? I need a. Can I get a swizzle?
can see you. Thanks, you here.
Ah, dear baby,
Comedy is
man.
well thirsty.
I tell you least, man. God know, I'm not telling no lie. Love how you turn up and two lovely legs.
Thank you.
So, I have a boyfriend.
Man. Me a virgin. Me never have no man in my life.
What?
How about your friend, Mr. Fan?
A virgin?
Mm-hmm.
So, can I get the number?
You can get my number. Hold on. You work?
Mean if work. How you
Come
think
like up and play, you know.
how you think me coulda buy them there? Think me think
Then,
soft? Think me think
anyways,
soft?
come before you take back it. See there.
Think me shibble down here, babes.
So you got, hold on there. Tell me a different name. Come in and bite my tongue, you know.
Oh, the baby, it popped up on my business name still now, but you can call me Top Link, you see it?
Alright, I like Toppling. I like that name there.
Just like how I like your army suit.
So just that, you
Yeah, active, you know.
So where you go now?
You know, say, tell the truth, as I say, I just try to walk around and know a place. See, shop me, I have to give them a support, you see me, because I like support people. And I think not soft in here, you see it?
Mm-hmm. So if you go up and play, you take Toppling.
And that's my taxi, babes.
Yeah.
Playing on my taxi, I want you man when I two driving a car, you know.
I like playing, you know.
Let's take you away at airport, you see me?
I like playing. So people come and go up and play. First class. Come
That's
on.
soft, man.
Come on.
Nowadays, man, I think we go last class. Alone first class for we think them. Must me tell us something heavy, you know. You see me? So when I get to know me more, nowadays, man, I don't want to lift my foot.
So you have a woman?
Oh, sir.
You're sure you not have a woman?
So I tell you something new in a place, you know. You see me, I just rent to one room up there, so I go on. See what can
So
go
I cannot come up there?
I mean, when the time right.
When the time right?
What day, man, we call you and we can talk and maybe we meet up again still, as it can keep on a one date same way.
Alright, come and like my belly.
Get things boogie down. What day, man? I love girl who can't eat.
I can yam.
Right. Can't eat suck juice and then something there, you see me?
When I like sucking pop, I make your name though.
Oh, so eat like dirty banana and them.
I like eat food.
Oh. But we keep on the beach, they have them juice there. At the little resort them and something, you see me? Big resort them same way. So yeah, if you can't eat them thing there and drink them thing there, you see me?
Alright, you go off for call me, you know, cause work, me come down here for look at my mother probably will put me call from mine, I go.
Make sure no wrong number you give me neither, you know.
No, make sure you call me, you know. Cause I not run a joke, come on go on plane.
Alright, make sure, take care.
Alright, bye-bye.
Alright.
Yeah.
Hot man.
Empress.
And me, I call.
Yes, man, you wanna walk past us a while ago? Come here now, man.
Can I help you?
Why are you with no Empress?
Me good. Me I give God thanks.
You might forgive God thanks for life, yes, for true, but as soon as you walk past and I say, you know, like it, you know, I'm like an Empress them, you know? Yeah.
Well, and you like me?
You mean, I Empress them like him.
Hey, what is not this?
Mm.
So first of all, how old you be?
Not age.
Huh?
Age.
Age? What is your age?
Not 25, man. I
And how old you think me be, young man?
no, age no matter. Never tell me where I live, no age no matter, you know? Yeah.
You know, look like so you can maintain me in there. You can't support my back.
You don't know that.
And you're about hand middle.
Mm.
Me no know that.
Man, you see when the beast drop, man, I see what go on, man. When I see beast, big beast, yeah. But what about the hand me rubbing out, man? I just say, I look brain food, they say, you know?
So that I gonna give you the beast?
No. It's all give me if all in meds.
Mommy, I wait a little bit, what's that?
I want me a walk and I if I try look. Queer. I want.
I want.
No, I say, madam, see a pass me a bigger up, you know?
You know
your
him?
daughters are trying to kill this boy.
Just want to see what I'm going to say. You know him?
A son ex, that little dirty boy. You don't know him?
Oh, it makes sense now with the robot and the gnawbone this.
The who?
The gnawbone.
No. Jawbone. One jawbone, never two.
And now, me here, so you do the poor child. You gnaw out the girl, You gnaw out her drinks, you gnaw out her money, you rub out your hand middle, and I talk about beef, him a go drop beef.
Not like in your mouth part. But if you believe, man, just believe, man. He's a go drop soon.
Yes, when I see my mother, don't say nothing to her. You hear me, look boy, do not say nothing. See my mother and walk past her.
So you did, sir?
We don't want the careless lifestyle. We not do the careless lifestyle in our family.
Or yourself, man. So that always
You know, sister Croft.
So you, hold on, sir. You is Shan X. And I look me.
I never really
right.
You can't get me. Kuya. What is?
We stop for joke and get joke for true. Listen, me now put you down or nothing because everybody have them chance. But you see while you do that, me say nah bone. While you do that, no beast now go drop here.
What do you mean by no beast now go drop?
Not while you waste your time and waste your money and rub out your hand middle. You can focus and then the beast will come.
Don't worry yourself, man. As soon as you beat, so the beast drop.
Let me go.
Where you go?
Before me go, me want to ask you which question. Which zoo you go get the beast? See? Which zoo you go?
See, I go up and you know about car, man. The beast them, man. Fat wall X6 them. GLE.
Stop do that and focus your life and then you'll get through.
Tony Torres gonna skate on the road.
Forget about that. Say the boy, me make me forget. So you get the work, you get the little work.
Yeah, mama, me get whole heap of different options. But me not choose it. Me just choose a man when me go back down there.
Well, on. You get the gift and you look the gift horse in the mouth.
No, I try worry, me get confused. Me never know which one to choose.
So you make them know, so you gotta call them.
I worry for them, so I tell them we'll come back tomorrow.
No, you can't do that, How the people them are gonna know? What if you go back tomorrow and the job them gone,
If one gone, me go to another one, I worry for options.
No, you don't put off for tomorrow what you can do today, my girl. You get the job, somebody else might come and get it. You never know if somebody gone in there right now gonna get the job.
Them not get the job, because them a wallet for me special member. Anyways, mama, me hungry now, not the feet.
Alright, you go come go shop.
Not the feet.
Little bit up there, you can make a little mackerel sandwich.
Mackerel sandwich. Bring some from shop, because I don't want that, you know.
Miss options.
Me get the job.
Miss options.
Me get the job, yeah.
So what you get, you get.
What, good here?
Aye.
Babes.
Yeah.
John, I say new village nice, man.
What you mean by nice? No party not keeping a day, so what kind of nice you talk about?
Oh, babes, man, more go down the road, man, and buck up one shop. I have to buy one craving here and one Susan, you know my style. Susan, man, is there, you see it. Boom, say, I did there go on all a reason with the boss down there. Boss tell me one and two things about the village, and I say, say place run. You ain't see me have to watch my back car through. I say me have money, man, and
me I beg you, please, no come down here so come mix up with no bad man and no criminal, you know.
No, babes, not like that, man. I want man must me put on there and sit there.
Because of the same reason why I did that for left here, the workless one of me used to deal with. Him go pick up badness and I have to leave.
When I pick up the sitting man and put it down, man, because when I do like a trouble and a violation, is it?
Oh, make sure. So, your phone vibrate, so.
You know, say. Oh, one call and forget from operation.
One call you forget from operation and you not look panic. I know you must feel it because me I feel it and I don't meet the pan.
And me I ignore call and the dog just call my phone from morning and youth and forget a piece of food, is me. But you have to go and hold on a little bit, is it?
So you start already. We just come down here today and you start already with it.
You know, man, I don't know who give you my number, babes, because I cut him off and I beg him me a piece of food, is it?
Make sure it's a youth.
You know me,
and not a woman, because we are go good so far, you know. We are go good so far and bad I make what have to mash up.
Be, You know, so when I talk about woman and you,
Disrespect, you want to come in my place, come disrespect me. Am I here at this, you know? Remember me bring you come here. So you see, anytime you go out there, son, make sure me and you go out there.
here's what I like with you, you know. You can't understand anytime I come in and I talk to you, you know.
I understand, but I just say because anything happen to you down here, and me, I go get the blame because I'm me bring you come down here.
You watch your style. I must know all of that. You see me? I must say walk on road, I not take chat. I mean, I need to come and say, come hot up myself again. I mean, just reach. So just calm, see, and I bother with that.
Yeah, right, you know. Go watch my TikTok cause who can't
That
hear will
you know,
feel.
be a TikTok you talk about. And make sure you get gift over this, you know. And make sure you not have boy over that.
Nobody worry
and make sure you
yourself
not
about
use
me,
no fish boy son. Here? I mean, if you want
Alright.
to call us boy name in my mouth. Now, yo. All that fresh air, man.
Hello?
What's up, my sexy Arizona shape sooty?
Nothing my there.
How you day going?
It's alright, you know. How are you there?
No, see me over on the block just the day I go and think about you. It just a clicking in my brain saying, you know, from see your friend down, so, you know, so yeah, I deal it differently.
You know, some there, some I gotta go for the work when my day tell the boy yesterday.
Work. Be me tell the work now go nowhere. You think say 9 to 5, let me reach your time reach. Come give me a link. Let me carry you up on a date right now.
Which part we go?
What do you man from a 5-star or 7-star placement activate right away? You don't know that?
Some if you tell him, some nah, but I go for your work then.
Be alone, I think me like when they talk then we, you know. Can't see them, man. I done tell you the process already. We go put it up. I want to you.
Me so call you back.
For what happened?
At the work?
Yeah, the work.
Oh. Which one you take? Which one you telling me I gotta take?
I take the supermarket one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you start that?
Me I start it now, today.
Yeah, start today?
Yeah.
Okay, what, pan the cashier?
Pan the cashier, right? Pan the cashier.
Oh, God, me proud of you.
Thank
Me
you.
proud of you. I saw you for go. Now
Yeah,
you
mommy, your
build
soul
up
started
yourself.
playing, you know?
Mm-hmm. You build up yourself and get for your independence. Now wait for no man to give you anything. If you get that, then bonus. But you have your own money and your own pride.
I'll get promotion already. Is it fast? I'm not even start work yet.
Promotion and you know start the work.
Them love me. You know them love me. So what go on?
Okay. I say you're lucky and blessed.
Bless.
Alright. So what time you supposed to be in?
You know, so I know me go now cause it had get late.
Alright.
Yeah. Don't wait up for me, you know, cause I probably come home late.
Alright, but I want to have dinner ready for you. So what time you're supposed to have a finished time?
No, I'm gonna bring home something for you to eat. Yes.
Okay. Alright, well go with God. Hold on before you go.
Mama can't bother with no prayer, man.
No,
prayer.
man, you have to get blessed. Anything can happen to you on the road, you know.
Me already blessed and highly favored. Me pray before me come out of the yard. Me no want no prayer, man. Me can't bother with no prayer. Later. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Alright.
So now you're taking a bathroom.
Who you did I talk on the phone with?
What?
What you mean by what? We can't hear you from in the side of the place that echo.
You know, nobody them a cappella style. I never dare talk to nobody on the phone.
You know, so I feel like the devil have another relationship yet, but I just can't put my finger upon it.
Listen to me. As I say always do in a holding relationship, you know. You can't use finger and a combined finger upon this. I rebuke in the name of Jesus. Use the Bible. And the Bible will make with upliftment and stop think with the devil. Look on my phone. Look if you see nothing in there. You see me talk to nobody? Stop come with the argument all the while, man.
You think me born big? You delete the call, because I hear you upon a call and I don't see no call at all.
Delete what?
You delete it, but
delete no.
I'm not in the argument with you.
I'm not delete nothing, man.
I'm not in the argument with them. I go look for my friend. Even though she don't know say so close my live, I go tell her say I did come buy something and I dey close, so I come look for her. I will see you later, cause I see where you're depending on and now make you trigger off my brain in the day. Yeah.
Come out to look argument for God.
It's alright.
Although me if you go back see you later, so make sure you come back in and you reach back later see you.
Yeah, man. Alright, big up yourself, cause you think you can't take me for idiot.
Idiot, yes. I see the teacher. Good thing in your bathroom going on. That would be on the time. So, open it down, man.
Shorty.
I
Shorty.
want,
Wagwan.
What you mean by wagwan? Let's see wagwan.
So that not work.
What you talk about?
We see Wagwan different day though.
You know see wagwan? You know see?
Yeah, man, I see Wagwan look good same way, man.
Yeah, some good.
Mm-hmm.
And that a gwan.
Yeah, man, I tell
You
you.
know see? Me a fly out now. I have my man been proposed to me. I chuma left my ring. Me go look for my friend. I can't talking with you right now.
Say me and your man they propose to you, man. Why ring now sitting there?
No, I left it because me da wash plate and I take it off and I forgot to put it on back.
Boy, man, tell you. You look good same way though, man. What you say?
I feel look good. Come step up in a life now. And you me I deal
outside.
with again. We are all I do when I work my money. You name out my money. And you me I deal with again. So I feel look good.
Don't worry about that, man. Things will up again, you know. I mean, soon up and
Up
large,
again.
man.
And when I did up.
Don't worry about that, man. Soon up again, man. Things soon start work out now. I say I better future now, you know.
I'm happy for you. Anyways, take care of yourself. Come on, what me done I do back with you.
Hi.
So,
Nothing wagwan.
so long I wait for you, so long you take for coming as a man.
I told me I walk kind of far from my live.
So I pray differently.
Nothing with the here.
Thing good.
No.
Okay.
I want to go on a plane.
Don't tell her this and I'm gonna make you go on the plane, babes. Don't worry about.
So you're alright?
Awesome, I'm not really alright, you know.
And what happened?
Can't go and so do one quick and come back.
So quick.
Just me put up on the plane quick in a way I talk about. I'm done a sort out to send them for already, you know, cause I call up on my dan the man, tell him say, I'm gonna need a first class flight. And in one place you go more few place. You see me?
You know what want you to do something for me though?
Yeah, I'm just here.
I tell you to stay my mother place. You can't rent me one room. I'm going to stay.
John will be right now, I'm a heap of maid, you know. I have some food I'm going to pick up and clear, but I can't to rent in a room yet. They want to do that so fast.
Why? So I'm not going to have my own little space so I can bring my man come over.
Yeah,
What you mean?
you get that in a due time. What you talk about? Them they don't really stay in the brain already and something. But you can't get that now. I move too fast.
See, you don't have no money.
I always have money, man. And what do you mean? I don't tell my mom me going to do and come back.
And then you give me money after come done to mother say I work me going now.
I'm seeing a man food if you run, you know that.
So come now.
Fix so long. Even I want to wash off, man.
It's tired, man.
See something fresh,
I'm
man.
a hot.
No, send nothing.
So, Pinky, I did for the work.
Which work, mommy?
Which work? You forget, so you tell me say work you're gone.
So you don't know what I work me, I work
I
right
mean,
there.
she work for me, where you talk about. You see me look, me see me as a businessman. Where
I work this.
you just
I
come
work.
accuse her, so. You have a beautiful daughter like this. Come right now, and put her front this in my business place here, talk about what kind of this and what kind of that.
Oh, okay.
A straight 9 to 5 with you, the man.
Mommy, I don't want to take plane. You go like you don't want to take plane.
Sorry.
Shouldn't even know me have an airport for
I
myself.
expect to see you in the supermarket that you tell me I go do.
Oh, that way they cancel.
A better job than that she get, man. Supermarket no pay in the US.
Quicker money.
My thing a US.
Okay, so what kind of work this? Bar work?
Bar work?
Bar work.
What kind of work you do?
Is it bad here, sir?
Your mother is her sister, cause you come like she not hear what me I say.
I'm a mother.
Me's a businessman, ma'am. No disrespect. I own an airport and all that stuff business back home overseas.
Oh, okay.
You have to know how to approach people. Okay? I'm new in the village and I meet her. I don't want to put her in my front desk.
I'm playing.
Cause she look front best.
Oh, hold on. Let me look for you good. But me don't know you.
Yeah, man, you see me around, man, coming new to the village, just eat.
No, man. Me know your face.
Yeah, man,
Can't forget
Where
a
you know him
face.
from?
I
Where you
mean,
know him
call Twep
from?
Twep.
Trip. Me no know no name like that. I him did that on your friend status.
No, which friend
And you
status?
man.
Remember say
You know-
I dark in mommy.
Where
I
you
know
talk about?
him. What you talk about? I'm to the lady, what you talk about?
First, yes, me, ma'am.
First, yes. First,
I'm
yes,
not
you
sure
hear?
you know because me see up on my daughter friend
She
status.
have memory
Post
loss.
a
She
new
have memory
man.
Wrong
loss.
somebody.
Wrong
Look for
somebody.
tattoo
You have
pants.
memory
Me can't
loss.
say no status. Cause me never go on status. Me never like status.
Right.
Matos or catus. But
And
how is that?
my man. No?
Yeah.
My man. And I'm a mommy, I want to you.
So hold on.
I'm boss, man.
You're there with your boss already?
No, I'm a man before my boss.
She mean her manager.
My
Me her
manager.
man, her
Hold
manager.
on. I'm confused. Because 1 minute you say she a work for you, you give her the job.
She just left out the
Then
ija.
your man.
She just left out the ija. Me her manager.
Yeah, my manager.
You can't listen, you can't hear. You can't look to your ears and listen to your eyes.
No, this is my mother. Mommy, come go up in the yard, go take a medication. Me so when I come from work, remember if you look for something for me eat.
My bad. I know you pan her status.
I know you. Which
Okay.
status? You say that what
What are we
status
that,
go
man?
on? I'm to that woman.
Maybe it's not like instead.
Oh yeah, tell her say me and your woman.
Yeah, but they can't just tell her things so fast.
Why are you saying not have no woman? And you tell me say you not have no woman.
No, woman, babes. What you talk about? Come see the man.
So if you not have no woman, why me can't tell my mother say you're a man?
You want fly pan plane or not? Watch your
Yes,
volume
but
of
me
your
and
voice,
your woman.
Watch your volume of your voice. I remember we had talk to.
Me can't tell them something. Me I go back to my mother.
Remember me and man I showing just come see man.
Yeah, man. Make sure you just remember to send me the money.
Let's go on, man. Let's go on.
But-
Cause right now your mother broke out my vibes, you know. Maybe if I get that too, you know, that may make sure you call me and talk to me good here.
Oh. Hello. Not there. Shande at work. She get her little work now.
Yeah, I know she get her work. I'm proud of her, man. I think she da go joke it out, you know.
No, she there work. As a matter of fact, I think some eyes are play up on me. Let me see your status again, baby girl. Let me see your husband to be.
I want happen now.
No, me just want to see.
You see me anywhere?
No, me just want to see. Come my eyes are feel me. Okay, we see everything we wants to know here.
I want to him not look good.
No man, him look nice. Him look like him nice. Let me see everything we want to see. But you know what? She gonna work. She there, you know the yellow shop in the lane? I that's so she'll work.
Oh, so she can get visitors.
Yes, man, me just see her, so you can go check her. Cause why? Me I go cook me dinner, cause me no want it burn up on me, cause why things hot right here now, so me go cook me dinner.
Yeah, go cook for me. Alright, may I go look for her down here?
Alright, me case here, you'll see everything you need to see.
What you mean by that?
Nothing, baby, nothing.
Alright.
Go on, walk good, yeah?
Alright.
Alright, walk good.
So, the yellow shop this. I must that shop here. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. How you doing?
One girl named Pinky work here, sir?
No, sir. I have no idea of that. No idea.
You sure one tall, stout girl and she light
I
complexion?
never see her before.
You don't have a new worker? Alright, thank you. No, man. Something wrong here, so. Then our mother send me come down here. And no. No, man. Something wrong.
Yes, that me I say. Because, why? She says she get her work. Then I realize so the pig them we raise the mother and the granny dead, you know. And that girl me have to hang up the phone. Me gone. More important things coming later. Me niece, how you know? Oh God, me glad to see you. You alright?
Yes, hello.
Oh God, let me see you, man. Let me see you.
Yeah.
Kaka,
Me
you
did
get
sick,
little
and that's
batty
why.
pan
No,
you
it
too.
flat now. Me did sick, so I drop off. Yes, but God is good. I'm alive.
Every time.
I come to spend some time with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Always
so
welcome.
Okay.
You're always welcome, man. This is your yard.
We didn't.
It might be humble, but I feel
I
yard.
don't give. I don't business. I just come here, cause you know, so me live in the bushes. So I just come here, cause I need to find a work somewhere down here, and I would have stay with you and help you pay your bills, them and stuff. Like, yeah, you know, I'm now a free load.
Kaka, what bless me, so. Of course you can stay. So what kind of work you look for?
I don't know as long as I get money. I don't hard time, any work, as long as it's not illegal. You know?
No man, you have to hold your head up.
Right. So I just need a little work. I know it's something to catch. Either way, it's a pinky day.
Hey!
Me not see me. Like, me did a walk and me believe me that same on the road or something. But me never see her.
One place she there. Ever there.
Asleep.
You sleep in her bed.
What a word. So she not work like in a bed in a work or not?
That me a pray because me glad you come, you know, because me have a sensible one round. Because she tell me say she get a job down the road in a little shop bar thing. Me not feel say so because look on the time. This year time of day and she asleep. She not supposed to be at work.
Maybe a bar shift like I remember a bar now, so maybe they work evening or night.
No man, it's more like a little shop, but them sell drinks and beer and things. It's not a bar like that. Me can't see them a work shift. It's a little one and the kind of money there. Something funny.
Well, me can help you with that one then, cause me only come here for just work everything. No really business one nothing with the road me side and me back and me are in front of me. You know, just I come here and make some little dollars and probably go back and me I go turn the weekend and then come again. You know, Someone don't like. You know, feel like you know I'm no burden. You know?
Oh God, you is never a burden. You is never a burden.
You said that, but I know some me feel. You understand?
No man, you lively up yourself. And I hope say your attitude and the way you're thinking will rub off on her, man. Because me not trust something in her something.
Truthfully, you see, if it all depends on her. You see, if she didn't want to pick up an attitude for a day one for work, she don't do it, or she don't want to do it. And him get big, you know, that her heart is working.
Well, like how our cousin come and our positive influence come, you know, maybe it will rub off on her. I hope.
Yeah, you can't say hope. Either way, so
you know everything is. Yes,
still
man, that's still your room.
I hit me take.
All right, me glad to see you.
Okay, me too.
Look how God wonderful. Thank you.
You're
right.
Yes, I'm okay.
Oh, good. You're settling all right and thing.
Yeah.
So what's your plans for today?
Rest. Today I shall stay right here. Tomorrow I shall go hunt. I need all the rest I can get. Because
like a plan.
Yes.
Sound like a plan.
Not really a device one, but it will get there.
God will help you. God have to help you because you have the positive mental attitude to do it.
Right. God will help me.
We just want some of that for Rob up.
Mr. Pinky Sleep dead. Jesus, me just remember to tell you. I go around there say I go surprise this girl. When he come like a log. He didn't even move.
Hi.
Me say, oh Jesus, one time I have to put my hands so to see if he's alive.
You know how much time she frightened me? Me used to it now, but she sleep for the day. And I look check for the time. At work she's supposed to be going now.
As me say, maybe I want like a shift cause
I don't know, shift. That's funny. Me just hope say you being here would make, you know.
Me tell her, so when you wish for things, you don't really happen, you know.
No,
Can I wear
good night.
I wish you
just awake now.
What you say about what me I do ya?
I wish you do as mine like.
You can't tell me that. I can be here when I want, Pinky. Pinky, you're supposed to come and say, oh my God, cousin, it's been so long since I've last seen you. And I just say, come back, oh, great, me with it.
So as I wake up
You know how work to go.
Me still got work. Why I worry about that?
Me don't worry about that. We just talk. I come in there, I'll lick your son, pinky, and you day for move.
Say I'm not for the yard.
No, my aunt said I can be here, so I'm staying here.
Yes.
Mommy, alright.
Mm-hmm.
What's for breakfast?
And are you supposed to surprise me with breakfast in bed?
Don't worry yourself, my mother. I'm going to find one rich man. You see? And him can buy with plenty breakfast.
Me no want no rich man to come give you money for buy me breakfast. Me want you to get your own independence. So you're not late for work.
Mom, what you talk about work? I'm alright. Them not fire me, I'm good.
You're hopeless.
So that's it. You just come out and ask for breakfast, nothing else. You know, think about nothing else today.
Happy birthday, my auntie.
Thank you. At least somebody remember me.
Yes.
Oh, today your birthday.
Oh, today your birthday.
No, it slipped my mind. Mommy, just wake up.
That's so important.
You're very, very important, my love.
One day of the year, the one day of the year is my special day.
What you want for your birthday?
No, man. I don't want nothing. Me good.
What you mean you're good?
My niece have to remember my birthday, and if Kena never say nothing,
Come
you
on,
would
Kena
remember.
enough. Kena go remember.
And you is my daughter, and you no member.
Remember, some me work,
right.
you know, my avoid for some my mind. Kena do work, Kena work, with the day so early.
Early? My girl, it's after 12 afternoon. Early which part? You know how long Kena there? And I try to wake you all frightened and she thinks he dead and gone.
Actually, I work late. That's all.
You do something late for true. Well, there what? Me I go look work too.
Yeah.
Me not turn ya and make you mad me. Alright. So you go work today?
Yeah, I'm so gone.
Okay, soon gone. Hard work.
Yeah, hard work. Remember if I bring back some when you're coming back.
Are you supposed
to
do stuff for your mother birthday, girl?
Lord, help me
when
get a job, please, because me have to concentrate my mind on something. Oh, yeah. Come,
Mama, just later, yeah?
Yes, just a poor lady.
Kena?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck, baby.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Girl, over here, do you so early?
But I tell you, I come down there to call look work. You come like you're not here. No, say my bushes and trials and tribulation. I want part of our place. No, they up there for do that chop grass. I'm going to weed out the whole place. Sorry, me need something else to do.
Girl, no worry about that. Mr. Girl, I have something to tell you. I say, my friend come back from foreign. Remember my friend? Yeah, girl. And she find one nice man. Nice brown man, girl. And the man have money and him bring her for the plane and stuff. But see the man, girl, the man like me. So me so, you know, when me and him in a good relationship, I can bring him up and play and you not have to worry about work and them something like that.
Me alright. If I ever forgot on tree top and jump out sheet and fly, me fly. But me no want fly with you. Know your friend, man, girl?
Remember saying, so ever my friend, man.
So, what you mean by so what?
Girl, man, come and man go.
Take your friend, man.
Man, come and man go, girl. The money you have to worry about it. The money you have to post.
Oh, well, you can go on me, alright. You can bring your mother panny. Me the advice if you do that, but you can do it. But you want can't go along. Love me. Me alright, yes, so me work. When me work, I see a van buy me plane ticket. Well, the Bible say me not think the Bible says so, but God said when I'm my time, I'm my time. So yeah, when it's my time, it's gonna be my time. When I'm my time to go for a plane, I shall reap one way or other.
Can then find a rich man. Anyways,
we don't have to find a rich man.
Come go on here. Me I go in.
Either ways, girl, I stay here now. How much time I got tell you? Girl, I'm work. You damn got big man. Girl, I'm work. You damn too much.
Later, yeah?
Yes.
Remember to look about something for me when you come back. Cause remember you're not working.
Oh.
Yes.
By tomorrow we gonna look at work.
You go to look the work. You don't get the work yet.
If not, yeah, when you come, you can't suck my big toe.
Girl, bye.
Can't suck off the 2 texts off it.
I'm skipping them up.
Man, you're so full of...
Get on so good.
Okay.
Okay. So, I just pick.
Wow. Mama. Shorty. What you say? Now go to green card again.
Which green card?
What you mean
The
which
only
green
green
card?
card they might get a upper embassy.
No
Which
man, I know
green
which green
card?
card me I talk, man. The same green card, the man.
I'm an
What dog?
ex. No listen
Yo.
to him. Come
You
on.
want to get green card?
No man, which green card me I talk about, man.
Say one place green card there in the embassy.
No. I don't really necessarily green card the paper, I know, but my man over me I talk.
Me no know what you talk about. I'm an ex. Me the TV give him nothing. Come on, no.
X.
Yeah, but him not get nothing.
This a boy X. What look so?
Unfortunately,
How you manage to pass through them, man?
I was blind, but now I see. Come on,
What do you
babes.
mean by that? But I chose him, I never get nothing. I have to feel like, you know.
Could this
The
man look?
facts are real, like, you know.
B just come, no, man. Come on, man. Him not in our league right now.
So you run so fast. So what happened?
So I go on. Let's move up so fast.
Me no deal with people academy upon this level. I just come on, no.
So at first me I walk on.
Don't worry yourself, big man. So when I broke money, I'm gone left him, man. Don't worry yourself. That's what they go on, yeah.
Gone left who?
Now you.
Where then I come go on like you want to style my man.
No, style thing, bro. But if your pocket shake him, I'll dig off.
What am I talking about?
Come on, when the fox can't get the grape inside sour, I change him one, change your mind from me. You can't stop me, no way, God bless.
Change my
You
boy.
You can't stop this. You can't get me, so no matter where you want to come with, you can't stop
Put
this.
yourself over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir. Come on this side. Come on this side.
So yeah, move so.
What you mean, how me I move? So come on, no? Come on.
Or we must book again, man.
We're not about nowhere.
Listen, boy. Yeah, I'm telling this bad dog. See, next time you say a word like that out here, man.
What?
A coof, cough, quiff, yeah?
True, man. Yeah.
Know yourself.
Being
bad
a get
dog.
yourself in a problem for
I
this.
look a joke.
You see all him do a smoke and drink.
Man.
We no go hold your corner and stop mix up with people. You see the next time you see me in a chattings with me and make people think say me head up on the same level, you're not gonna like it. Watch him now.
Or man, that's so no go on, man. So I'll get hot for me too, you know.
Yeah, it's the next time I meet them on the road. A problem all you not to hear.
Be no bother with them vibes. Them. Remember me have a pass, you know, everybody have a pass. Auntie!
Shani, alright, baby girl.
Yeah, man, you good?
Yeah, man, me just a walk. I walk and I look. I walk and I really look for you.
I'm a friend mother this, you know.
Pleased to meet you.
I went since summer.
Oh, may I say for she?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'm a friend mother.
Yes, pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
So where you going, Auntie Charming? Up at the yard, me just a coming now.
Well, me I go for a walk, me I go look for something, look for a little work and thing, but
Work, yeah, look work. Me like how you and Pinky just a get serious about life. Pinky get a work, now you a go look at work. No, man.
she gets a little work.
Wait, I mean, you see me, you don't have respect.
Oh, long I don't want to say a long conversation. I think I want a short one.
Oh, short one. But you know, say, other than the status, your face look familiar, you know. Oh,
My face.
yes.
You sure?
Yeah, and that you did for the long time.
What you talking about?
You know, say, me sure, so me did see you, you know. You don't know the little shop round the corner.
Which one shop them?
You know
Kind
the
of
one
new
down
to
the
ear
main, man. You have to pass it. You have to pass it when you pass mine and Pinky yard.
Oh, you want to pele down there, so?
That's it name?
I saw you
The
people.
man, no wait name ain't come from here.
No, people in the shop tell me say so. Then call down this and so where you talking about?
Oh, so tell me something. I cannot lose my mind. You see the young lady, you know the big lady them thing that you're talking. That's what she work too.
I don't know. When time I go in there, generally they want bar like I'm a bar tough. Sell me one special. Yeah, be sell me one special. I want man with the scene.
Oh, a man a your bartender.
No, bar tough. Me say you know listen. But I come with them a cappella style, you know. Bother with that.
From the way she tick and round and Man looks so, come in this face, is a young lady.
You can't ask me if
did a
man
one
look so. If you ask me if man look so.
Oh, babes, this is Pinky, my friend, and me I tell you about my friend from where I go basic school.
Hi.
This is my man, Tappling.
Hi, Tappling. I'm
Hi.
Pinky. Yeah.
Pinky.
So you move to half key from a reach you, so.
Better about be my government, me about Miss Cliff and get boogie down and something.
After all,
Mama, what you do with this?
it's a small world after all.
No, man,
Everybody knows that Jamaican a big.
No, man.
What you talk about?
Auntie Charlie, have something you want to tell me?
No, baby. You need a pair of glasses because the sun. You see when you put on a pair of these glasses, you will see what me I see. You will see everything, man.
Mama, what you really do right here? So now what you say I go look?
It's all right. Pleased to meet you. I mustn't never you.
How much time you want to touch me?
Yes, man. Me just want to make sure, you know. Coming out. Yeah, man. Me just want to make sure. But, Sean, I'll see you later, baby.
All right, Auntie Charlie.
You see
So you not talk to Pinky?
Me and you need to talk.
Why me talk to Pinky? Why me talk to next girl and me and my girl here, so? What you talk about?
I wanna go. What you do on here, sir? I'll pay your yard just a go. But since like how you now go to the car, look like you the pay your we go somewhere. Me go work.
Up on yard, where did I go?
B, we have this can. Oh, you some move so from where there, so you know someone like oh you move. You know Pinky from somewhere.
No, B, nobody with that. Where's the way though?
You know Auntie Charmian?
No.
Come and remember introducing you to them.
Come in, babes.
Wait, no, where you? Hold on. Where you do running, so? No, one time I come on, so when I tell me say you come look for me, where you do in this area? You me just come look for me. If I tell you every time when I come look for you, me and your friend. Me no need to tell you every time I come look for you. What you know? Come, go up here. What do you say I go?
No.
So me I go up there go do Auntie Charmian gone and you a go work. Alright, me I go work. Come like the two on the confused. Me know what I go on right to say no. But I have to find out. Come on. Come on.
So me can't go on so strong.
You just ask me if me not ready for reach now. As Pinky come in ready for go away. No make me have no. You hear me I tell you? Me ready for go down.
But I deal with me son feel like me.
Pinky go on a work. Go to the work that pays you.
She just have man attack to her down says him talk about exing and that. Babes, nobody with that, you know. Nobody make it dark, you know. Nobody with that.
Oh, so me are the problem now.
You mean?
Oh, reverse psychology.
Ex man I contact you, you can
tell me about talk to you, come on. Cause all in your mind me a joke with you.
Okay, let go for me, man. Let go for me. Okay, they come pull me like you know, feel like me some little boy and I'm some little punk or something, you know. Me tell you that, you know. Me tell you this. Me walk up the scene, I come make X-Man tap to you, girl, you ain't even know where you do, you know. So me can't stop people from call to me? Stop people from call to you, you ain't even know. Say I keep me go for kickback, say right, that's alright upon the spot. When boy I call to you, you that you ain't even know in the youth. Kickback in a Ufa community. You want to left you so fast, I don't know you come. Who? The people in my community are here about me.
You know, say him a follow me up. Listen, girl, me tell you up this already. Mama don't know your man from nowhere and I must have faces to see it. I don't know him either. Right? Girl, this morning I wake up. Mommy say her birthday. I'ma fry 12 eggs for mommy and 6 for her. So you don't know say the woman get up all of a sudden and say she gonna look quick. She not gonna look nowhere. Something girl, I just feel like mama it'll go. I swear to you.
And she can go like me know them too. And I glimpse you man on shop what they so me even see her good. And she act like her brain a glitch or something.
You know, say from what day she come with them talking yeah. From she send me down at your new workplace, she a move. Girl, right on feel like I'm ready for bring mama to one nursing home. I go, girl, stop the argument, man. You say you come look for me, come. I could go down a year, go and chillax, You know, I feel like I'm better one guy. My vibes broke. Girl, let's just get the work, go on a work. Come, girl, we are going down your yard. Come,
better you do your work, man. 9 to 5, pay good.
We are going down a shan yard. When you stop the argument, cause it don't look good. And this the enemy want. So, as you meet him, you don't want to go work? Girl, my vibe just up on me there, come.
Just go on a work.
Alright, you come on. Come. You know what, come on. Today I'm a Sabbath. Girl, your purse nice too. Yeah, man, fix it up and thing. I never plan to make you come here till the housewarming party, you know. But you're welcome. So why you tell me the first thing you feel like? Because I did a plan to keep one housewarming party. I noticed say a new house, it just built. No, girl, me your friend, you shouldn't do that. You should have told me.
But no, but me just want to surprise you, because me all a plan to build on a room for you too, you know. So me just didn't want it all there, so everybody know about it the same time. Because I know you look with time bad by your mouth, you will go tell people.
I'm not do that one, but you should have told me first. Me feel away.
Babes, so you this so far? Sit down, man.
Oh, who couldn't talk? On the road, sit down there, Michael.
No, that's alright. I'm basically my sister, this in a share family.
Yeah, we are a family together.
Basically family. We are come from Chicks and Back Juice days. Family.
You all your family.
Oh, for sure. Now I'm
You're so
afraid.
nervous.
No, you're mad now.
All him Anna sweat.
I'm shaking his name in my thing, man. You see your son hot show where I come from.
He's a gangster. Me know me there with you now. So I know what I go on here, so.
You don't know that gooby man. Now what do you talk about?
Anyways, Pinky, him name Taplink.
Taplink, my name Pinky. So shame
Because the vibes, it start off wrong earlier, and so we are redo the thing. So you don't have nothing to talk to him about? Oh no, be so nervous.
Yes, you want marry my friend.
Baby.
Hold on, I get a call. Right now? Me not think I did say it tomorrow. Alright, me not really I do nothing right now still, you know, so me I go forward. Alright, give me 20 minutes. Yeah, man, cool. Be auntie that, you know? Yeah, man, she want me help her carry up something down a market and sitting, because you know me have the taxi pan call. Right. So I go get the taxi man and bring her.
Just like that. There. Sound like a good idea, you know.
Yeah, man. So I just take care of Pinky, make sure she eats something and feel at home and thing.
You leave her?
Yeah, me I leave her, she not come.
Girl, I have nothing to worry about. You know, I must have your friend from a long time.
Girl, me nah worry, man. We just start off at the wrong foot. Show him with a behave off. You know man still. Yeah, and then you are the problem, you know. Him a move off.
No, babes, nobody with that.
But I trust my friend, because a long time we are come and she never do nothing.
I will never do nothing for her.
Yeah.
After you content about name, remember about X-Man where you just.
But me just warn you. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. Anything you try, my friend, I go tell me.
You guys remember somebody on my period, you know, so.
So, that Japan, if anybody pay your period, I think about it.
Girl, I would never do such thing. You know that. I am man. I'm here for my sister and a girl. We just go there, you know, I must go tell him, say, I'm not for hurt you, and him, so you know, I will never hurt you. So I will tell him, say, oh, I'm not for hurt you, and talk to him. We just say there are reason until you come back. You still come back?
I will come back when I come back. Just don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Bring one juice when you're gone.
Alright. Babes, later.
Alright, babes. Then if you're so liar, what me if you think about my babes? I could leave one man call her and she gone, you know? What can I say?
Calm down, man, people hear you.
So you the pay period for you?
No, I kept so. Know yourself. Because remember, so we don't get ourselves in anything, you know. So you move shake, you make them suspect.
You know, say chicks and shit I use for me.
Man, I ain't chicks and shit, baby. Know yourself. Remember, so we don't do for do already, so there's no turning back.
No, but I would say you go tell her back. I sit there, try to set me up.
Oh, me go tell her back, if me know say you're a man. I'm still there with you.
So you say.
So me can't go on.
Think I see me. You know what tell her nothing.
Me not tell her nothing. You know, bring the money today.
You know, say, through me walk with her, I know she love her belly and everything she go on.
You know, bring the money.
I left a bag of money and I tell him, I left it down at my uncle.
So now don't you live with her?
No. I left it down at my uncle.
Anyways, remember you can't tell my friend nothing.
Man.
Move off.
I come a man call her right now, I mean if you hear her with the on the phone.
I'm a saw man call her for you know them girls anyways.
Wait a second, one.
You can't. You just stay out of my mother's eyes, cause me have to go get she attack on go.
See mother like she crazy in her head I go. She move so.
You can't say that to my mother.
True.
Remember say we're wrong. We are doing wrongs. Okay? Yes. Anyways, come do you do before she come. I'm gonna lie.
No wrong so. It's a affair right. What you talk about?
Anyways, come on.
Jesus Christ. What make you not learn?
What mean by learn?
You not learn?
All of my top gas school.
Me not just left for stop see me in a chatting with me. You see any day you see me and my man again and come cause no problem in a my relationship. You're not gonna like it.
Oh, so like you love bad me up. That the man make you go in your shell like a turtle. He
No bother
pull you
worry
up.
yourself, a gangster, my love. You wasn't a gangster,
What do you
you're
mean a
weed,
gangster?
robot and junkie.
So you mean by junkie? Oh, remember say, and you left me, and not me left you, So we spend big money for you,
Which money you talk about?
What do you mean which money me I talk
You
about?
can't serious. You forgot to say a my car that did have. I spend out all of my money on the girl them and I drink out and I smoke out. You lose your memory. The weed make you have loss of memory.
I was spending, and me spending the same way.
And you are spending but my money, my hard working money.
Any money got my hand off, my money that.
No, I know your money. You and the brown girl where you did there with down the road money. You think I never know about she? You sure that she left you? Can you have a thing for in a body?
What you mean?
Anyways, me and the whole chatting with you. You know City Mission Church there?
You know, so in my hand. You know, see? How many people know about church? You see me it's a rum and a ganja smoker. Ask the man the way I come about church.
You need some God in your life. Me need to bring you God church.
Me, I ain't even know heaven there yourself.
See who ya?
You.
Who da?
Ask him about church. You
Sir, you know City Mission Church there?
Ah! You go up the road, right? I take your first left. So you take your first left,
Yeah.
just read properly. So you walk, go down that 3 lane there. One name Bullet Lane. One name Suffer Lane. And one name Strive Lane. Go in a Suffer Lane, right? When you go in a Suffer Lane, hide your phone. Yeah, hide your phone. Because the peer sufferer in there. They will take things, all the jars they will take and sell.
Yeah.
You will all walk and your jars just missing.
Jesus.
Yeah, that's why I'm not going to come now and my underpants missing.
So they're not other way in there around there?
No! Anyway, so where you go down to church now?
Me, I go for my auntie. She left church and she got the market.
Oh, she got the market.
So big man, you talk about underpants missing. Which underpants you talk about? What you wear upon your body?
It's too negative.
Oh, too negative.
A man like Uno now go to Jesus. Anyway, Empress. It's when they come on to finding the word of God. You know, if you ask questions, if you go feet and find it. Yeah.
Alas.
Oh, she can't go find it because she even go to church herself.
You
No
know go
matter
church?
worry yourself.
She not go church?
Oh, she go church. I first me I wanna what kind of church she ask about. Like first me
No, good woman, man. I'm
good
like,
woman.
You know, sister, me get the demons out of my life.
Good woman, I a demon.
Are you are the demons? I forgot church for get rid of your spirits.
You're mad. What they say? They say woman are wicked.
I did your woman?
Yeah.
So why couldn't live? Why can live this chung body here?
Papa, we not go down in that the relationship story. Them here go about
Oh,
the
you know
ways.
my name.
Where me? Who no know you in this place, yeah?
So I saw you all on study me.
No, to you mix up daddy. So.
Me look mix up. Dirty boy, me look mix up.
Oh, you call it
Eh? Me look mix up. Don't ramp yourself with me. You're bright.
Yo, you come like a gleaner, newspaper.
And
You carry go and carry come.
I style me.
No,
Where people are used clean their ass with boy. And me I call newspaper.
Yeah.
Look on this here, these people.
No, me not. But you
And
don't
that's
know.
why the Empress left you. Because you're nothing but a piece of trash.
Right. Garbage.
Yeah. Garbage.
Me say the worst mistake in my life.
A man like me have to take up.
Me say me don't know what me did that do, what did happen to me here. Them call look past
Yeah. The best thing in your life.
Best your backside you was the worst and the last.
Me no want God sin when me go up at the church, so me go just make me little
Take me
here.
up, man. A man like me have to take up, you know.
You know, sister, you and him there on the same. Hey, excuse me, huh?
Adam right.
Just pray for me and baby so we can get back together.
Pray for yourself so you can't stop about your hand,
You know,
nigga.
sister, trash that. What you do with it? You know, sister, nobody no want that. That's our old pop down truck. What you do with it?
Oh, in have it.
Have a?
In have it.
What? Have a?
Money.
Money?
Sure.
Jesus, if me lose my last chance.
Oh, 30 book by cover, you have to read it. I'm take you life, say. I'm sorry, dear, when you left me.
Oh, so you said don't judge a book by the cover. So like how you smoke weed, me not judge say you eat under there.
Go on, yeah?
Hi. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yeah, I'm cover my fire. The sun go glisten and I'm blind. You know what? May I look for somebody? Me look for my uncle. Me don't hear the tall water. Me don't know if you cut it right now.
Me look like Susan Shaw. Me no put family together.
Me don't have to put family together. Me look for a man named Top. You know Top?
Twip.
Top. In tallish, in light skin, in did have hair. Me don't know if he cut it. Yeah, why? He had tattoo.
Me know a Twip, but him no name. Me dem not call him so again.
What they call him?
Well, miss, me no know why you reason for you look for me, no. I mean,
My uncle.
Are your
You
uncle?
You hear the part there? Yeah.
Me know him actually my man, but me no know if yeah him woman and you look for him.
Kiss me teeth. Me just say me I look for my uncle. It's my uncle.
Yeah,
and
me never hear about you yet. And him not have family with light skin. I bleach him bleach.
I bleach too.
Anyways, miss, me can't help you with that then. Cause me no do them kind of work there. As my man, you a look for thief.
Aye, come back here, sir. Thief which man? Me look like me don't want a man. I came here to look work and I'm looking for my uncle so he can set me up on a work. I don't really need no man. I don't want a man. I can work for what I want.
So continue look for your uncle, man. Me I go about my business. God go with you. People man share look about uncle.
Kiss me teeth. Top, I shall find you.
Dirty shop you ever lock, man. Now open early.
Oh God, it's shop lock.
Woo!
Hi.
Hello?
You know Top?
Huh?
You know Top?
What my name, sir?
One man. One
Listen
nice
me,
tall
listen
skin
me.
brown man.
You miss the first red flag you ever do in your life. It asks another man but a man. I'm not a man, Chuck.
Top on my uncle. I need to find my uncle.
Oh! So that means that we can get a lady like you. You look sweet and sexy. I like you.
Oh, guess what? I like me too.
Oh, you like you too?
Yes, me like
Good.
me too.
Proud of we both.
We both who? We both who? You think you can handle that body, a boy? You think I can handle this? This come with whole heap of responsibility, everything. You got money, boy? You got money? No, you don't got the money. You can't get out to word them.
Work.
Woof. You work, you can't angle this body. You can't angle it none time.
You don't sure of that.
I'm sure of that. So say next time I say me don't look me for though. If you not walk with one nice sum of money, don't look me. Yes, sir. You know what Top?
No.
Come back and say, no, you know what Top?
No.
Okay, that me ask him. I'm asking nothing else.
Alright, hooligan.
What you just say, boy?
No, I didn't say anything. I just minding my own business.
Say RR.
RR.
Say it like one puppy.
R? Yeah.
I look like a damn dog for real. Say woof now.
You better go.
Say woof!
Woof!
Oh. Bark like dog. What you look for?
No, just me alright, me good. Me nobody want you.
Me think so.
Alright, yeah? Why me shame your Oh God!
Take someone to sit down.
Yeah.
Why? I know. It's a flyer, man. So you feel good, man. You surprised me. I never know so you go feel so.
What you mean? You go like the first time we do it.
What? Come see, man. I don't talk about that, man. I show me see I'm more extra.
Anyways, so what you gonna do you know?
I don't want to do it again.
Again?
You mean?
Are your woman so come?
You talk about that, man. I want to man come see, man. I'm not worry about that. She don't come for now. He come like a man she gone to.
I don't think so.
So you say?
I think so for true.
Share the joke now. I want to day I laugh, but
Nothing but just say a reason. Remember say, I tell you something that I get to know you, man. You know what they talk about you.
So make sure you come out of the house. Do you want here?
from way down there, some stay from I hear you a laugh. I never hear you laugh.
So we kill it.
Yeah, but with that, come and laugh so brother. So make sure we come out of the house and I take some cool breeze. So you don't come and swing in the house
I'll
and
go,
tell
me,
me
I go
nothing
here
about
now
this
in your
and that.
car.
So fast, I'ma just come back. Me not even get for chili yet.
Girl, we'll chill her next time. Mama did call me, because Mama tell us that she not really alright a person. She called me and sit and tell me to stop Mama in the house. So me I go look what happened. Because you know, so me don't want to leave her alone down there. Girl, we will chill her next time.
Alright, take care, Auntie Charmian. Alright. Yeah, man, and tell me if anything wrong.
Me I call you.
You not get nothing last night. Come on, now.
Cool, long me there wait for you. I wait upon the road
Me
this long.
ready now. Come them to go in.
You right now, me tired, man. Right now, upon the road, I say me I go hold a one drink, you know.
Which road?
Beat a one Magnum and a one special.
No drinking now go on today. When since I drink Magnum.
Yeah, me tired, man. See, from morning, I sit down in the house and I really do nothing. You know, so me have business to go take care upon the road, man. I want to, man.
So why you go drink Magnum? You know say Magnum for boots up.
No.
Where your boots up for you now?
That if you strong you up if you don't want to go to gym. You know, see it on the paper. So you can lift up people. You're strong.
But you not lift me up.
So now that's why I get one right now, because I'm tired and I want to deal with it.
Come on, no
Right
man,
way.
want to lick you sitting.
So I'm seeing a bee, man. I go up on the road, go get strong up and come back, man. I don't want to come in there, you come laugh off of me. I'm tired, you know, man.
As me come for everybody you go where?
So if you sweep out the house, so you and your friend nasty up in the house, you know, foot and sitting there. If you sweep out the house and come out, so things come out the house, kind of foot, the nasty up everywhere. I tell you, sure, we'll go out the door here, man, go sit down and chill. I'm tired, I go hold one drink and circle back, isn't it?
Where you go?
Because
See anything when in darkness must come to light. And I go know where you and Pinky are going. Because I think say me not have sense.
Oh, I'm to you.
I be a look foul play, but I just can't put my hand on it.
Stop chat about them, missing them, me go chung up and come back for you. Put it on you and sit and be on to you, say forward, man. One else. They come like your first box.
I have something to talk to you about when you come in because one woman see me and ask me about you.
So I come back, me ain't not talking.
Yeah, but we have family down
This don't as I talk. So
Yeah,
let's
man,
go and breathe easy, soon forward.
Man, they look like one hoodlum. But they feel bully look. Hi, sir. Come here. 1 minute there. Make it 1 minute to your time.
No, man. How about this? Like a dream or sitting, man. Because normally a man call over a woman and a woman call over a man. Alright, mama, come over here, sir, man. I don't come here now, son, you know. They come over here, sir, you know.
Get to anyhow, I never me want to know something. Me don't come nowhere.
No, that don't say. Me no man zone right now, you call me now, hot to. They come
Alright,
in
me no
here, shade.
business. Shut up, though.
What?
Oh, sorry, though. Sorry. You know, twip.
Twep.
Yes, twip. One tall brown nigga.
One man named Twep. What kind of name that?
You can't ask me that. Ask him parents or whoever give him that the name there.
I don't know no Twep. I don't know for sure him. I don't know no Twep, you know.
Twip, I'm my uncle, you know. Twip, so me fi call look for him and me I try look for twip, all now I cannot find Twip.
That's a weird name, man. Twep. Oh. That's a boy there try. Feel like he bother me. Rush me on other day. Alright. No a woman, but I never know say a Twep in name.
Thank you, Jesus. What Twip live?
I don't know what Twep live in.
When body up? What Twip body up?
Up the road up so when I tell them they are going easy, I still want to see me forward with my ex, and I could call to my ex. Boy I try to rush me, you know.
Oh.
But show me a boy not really violent sometimes. If just laugh it off, you know. But I really know him like that, but boy.
And I think I could have managed Twip even if them laugh you off. But
What do you mean?
Look how you look out Twip.
No man. Me no fist fight with him. Say boy tall on me, or fat on me, or thick on me. Me no use my hand them on a broad board or iron, man. So, train time I don't want to think, we don't just laugh it off, cause can't take a lick out teeth right now.
And so, where you say you did see Twip up there, so?
Yeah, man, up straight up the corner, run the run corner. And you pass it by the Rasta man up the road there.
Ah, sure. Alright, thank you, bye.
Yeah.
Oh boy, how me can't beat this here game?
How, you reach back?
Where you come from, Pinky?
I come from work. Remember, I tell you, I can't work.
Let me put my phone there. Let me hear this proper. Where can I come from?
Where may I come from?
Okay. And how was work?
Work was good, you know? Good, rough though, but you're alright.
Oh, God, it is busy?
Very busy.
Oh, so when weekend come now, you must have enough money, not true?
What if money?
So you're not tired of how you work so hard?
I'm tired for children, but you know me have to work.
The work have to go on. And then at the shop you work at, not true?
Yeah, the shop here, you come down. Yeah, the shop there. So mama must say shop. Where should I work?
Why? Me want to know. Pinky, tell me the truth. What me do you?
You know do me now, what you have to do me?
Not even the birthday, I mean, not even talk about my birthday. Let me look up properly. What me do you?
What you have to do me? You don't do me nothing.
Pinky, let me tell you something. You can have as much man and friend and everything in the world, you know. You can only have one mother. So me really a lie to.
Mama not lie to you. What you mean? I don't understand.
Pinky.
Mommy.
From you see me a rock, you must know say red flag a come. Pinky.
Mommy.
I ask you one more time where you come from. You go work in the afternoon and come back in the afternoon.
So what? Them let me off early because them say me tired.
Pinky, stop. Stop. Because you perplex my brain right here now. Before you go no further, me go down at the shop. Me go down at the shop. A 4 round of drink me buy, you know.
But you do another shop, no work, you say you go look.
Okay. The same work you look. Huh? The same work you look. Me know something wrong, you know. Me know something fishy. Something's fishy because something not right.
Why you first in my business?
First in our
if me tell them me dey at work. Why you watch me?
work? Funny that. Because I born yesterday. And the pig you raised the mother and the granny done dead. So me talk to the man there. And I just asked him, say, if a nice, pretty, thick girl work here. Because I did hear, say, my friend daughter work there. Call your face and look now. The man who is the owner tell me, say, which work there? I him one day, can nothing now go on. How you look there, how you sit there and tell me, say, you're busy. And the man tell me, say, nothing now go on. And nothing go on for true. And me, one so little girl come by, some cheap chicks come there for the hours me I sit there, 4 round me by.
Mommy, calm down, sit down. Alright, listen. I already tell her, I go work because you complain and I tell me I need to take up responsibility. I don't find a work yet, I still a look. You understand? I know I need to tell her something because you get very out of order. You see when you see my friend and a man on the road, you come out of me and my friend and my man. Listen. Listen. Come out of my friend and a man business.
No. What is in the dark coming in the what? Hey, 2 things me I go remind you, you know. What is in the dark have to come in the light.
What have come in the light?
Your man.
No,
Your man. When me see your work. What kind of work you get
friend, man. I'm a friend, man.
You hear what you say? You hear what you say, Pinky? Your friend, man.
Exactly.
So why you can't allow it? Shan.
He's my friend, man, and me, I'm a friend. You hear them say? We for share. So we're sharing.
Okay.
Because them say we for share.
You know, say young ladies get acid up and alive.
The Bible say we for share. Come out of my business.
Okay.
Come on, sit up, man. Yeah.
Take time to my auntie girl.
Girl, she too enough.
Where me buy she too enough?
If you ever know she go up on the road, go do a while ago.
What she do?
She see my friend and her man stand up and she go, I know you from. Like show myself the people in relation.
Oh, you not tell the full story though.
You not taking in front, man.
Oh!
She talk.
Oh!
I'm not telling
you can't even do that right. Pinky, go look a man. No! Forget that. Go on work.
You have work? You there every day. You have work?
So girl, just rich. Don't do that.
And how you think you grow so big and fat and round, eh? Are you mind yourself?
Oh,
and me one mind you as your mother, your father, your uncle, your auntie, your granny, your grandfather, your grand auntie and everything. And me one.
Mommy, you give me headache. Why you short?
Huh? Come if you realize so you really look. You know how long me know? And I wonder if you gonna tell me. Can you really look me in my eye then make 2 I make 4 and I lie to my face?
You come like you pick. my friend over me. Me and your daughter. You're supposed to go and say, a man want to bring me pan plane. And you can bring you too and bring this and nosy one your back.
Girl, no. You want to come and tell us that me work for my bread. If me can't yam bread, me gonna yam rice or something else.
Rock stone.
Me work for my bread
rock
when
stone.
me get my bread. When am I time?
Yeah, brainwash Kenna man. I realize. Yeah, listen, she a brainwash your mind.
No, she not brainwash me. Oh, she a brainwash.
Wanna just leave this alone. I'm not gonna tell her again. Come out of people's business. Leave it alone. It doesn't.
Yeah, warn you, because man or whatever take you. It take your brain, So me, I warn you one time, And me birth you, you birth me. Me and your little dry head pissing tail friend them up on the road. Me notice from where they are, take your friend, man, you talk to me certain way. Now make me raise my hand on my foot to you, Cause me and your mother, you are not my mother. Mommy, know how you deal with me.
Calm down. It's a birthday. Come on, go inside. Let me give you a drink. Just calm down. Stop worrying about that. Sean now we're boy, man. Why you worry about Sean, man?
Me I worry about you, Pinky. You don't know, sir, people lose them life for this kind of shit.
What you worry about me for? Me know why you worry about me, alright.
Auntie, see if you worry now. Just see if you worry
exactly.
in our future.
So
come on, come in.
Warning with her.
Get young. Come on, get younger. Come and feel younger.
Go on, man, and stop me with myself.
What do you mean, man? Take off the super, so. Go on in your apartment.
Oh, God. This sweat so much it not even come off.
So lucky I lock me out.
What me I lock you for?
What make you tell mommy say?
Girl, hey, woman know already. She be the suspect. It better you just allow the people, them man.
If me can't find a man for myself, then I have to take fear, man.
You don't have to. You don't have to. If you can't find one, leave it alone. If nothing, you go open up your crutches and rub foot with that woman.
Go on, I can't tell her nothing more. Jesus Christ.
Oh, God, Pinky. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Mommy, I want... Where you bad for?
Oh, God. Oh, God, it seems surreal. We just get a nightmare. Oh, God. We just wake up out of a nightmare. Oh, God, Pinky, all right? It feels surreal.
All right.
Pinky, me, I beg you. If you don't listen to me with nothing else, listen to me with this. Stop what you do here. Me now accuse you. But Jesus, Jaja, thank you. The dreams are real. Oh, God. The dreams say, you have stop what you do here.
What were your dreams?
My dreams say they shoot you.
The blood of Jesus
just stand over your body. You don't breathe. You don't move. You don't do nothing.
Listen. Hello, calm down.
It just seems so real.
I am here.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Pinky, do. Me I beg you. Here. Stop what you do.
Stop first.
Me I beg you.
Sit down. Come.
No, man. This your dream. Could go bump full up my skin.
Can I come here? Yeah, that mad me say what they say talk about. She said she dream say them shot me. And get take about a ball.
The dream's so real, Kena. The dream really, really real. Me I beg you. You have to stop it here. Come in now and nothing to you.
You know say want me to be that? Me tell them. You see the same conversation I was out here have yesterday about my friend, man. She go in there, she go make up, she want make up and come back out there, say this morning with it again. You're not paying for stop this foolishness.
No, you think some ball for nothing. You think some love ball picnic. The dream's so real. Me get the phone call, and when me come round and look, Jesus, you're full of blood. Me couldn't even move. Me I do just stand up, and I beg you for breathe. I beg you. And the dream's so real. Me can out smell the blood.
Say the blood of Jesus.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Jesus.
Jesus. Me I beg you, stop what you do here. Tap it. Him not worth it. Look after yourself. Get a job. Look after yourself. Love the man.
Yeah, girl, be like me. I'm going to job.
Which job you have? You forgot to look at company you have to look job.
Oh, true.
Take after her, man. She'll look a real job. And not fret pan man. Do like your cousin.
So me fret pan man?
We all know you take Shan man. Love it. It now got it.
I tell us how you come out here with you. Mommy, just calm down and go on and go sit down. Come in and understand why you come out here so go and say for.
You know me is a dreamer. You know some is spiritually, some is a dreamer. My dream walk. You know, remember when my dream say Auntie Merkel gone? Remember me dream and tell you say Auntie Merkel go. We never see Auntie Merkel again. Eh?
She all our time come.
No man, no man.
Nothing I do me. Stop the foolish.
Who gold bumps full up my
can't
skin.
tell them
You have to
careless,
just stop it here. Alright then. Give it 6 months here. 6 months and allow the boy. Look after yourselves for 6 months. Jesus Christ. Look after yourself for 6 months.
I can't my tip she really there start talk about. My tip I go bring my guy foreign. Something wrong with you? You're sick.
I shan teppy top.
What?
Well, very name. I shan man.
Stop from man.
So you know top. Oh, you're not gonna know that. What top live?
I don't know I'm living on this with son.
You know what type of somebody top be?
My man, half your man.
Girl, come on, no one top I no good somebody.
You know him? Oh, she know that.
Let me know top famous.
And I know good somebody. Another
I
child.
know I put things in a can. They see you already?
Right now, they send me up here to go investigate top.
Do what?
So you talk about now, continue about
Spy.
No, girl, not spy. I don't spy. I don't got time to spy.
But you know, come up here and look work, Kena.
Yes, under the disguise of an investigate out. You know, see my heart. You know, see my heart. Me have my badge, you know, I'm sure my badge.
Where there?
In a house, like, in a same look about.
I want to have a kid to say
Like,
another
undercover because the two been wanted and then been a try.
Don't want my money,
Jesus Christ, protect the picnic, Lord.
Let me tell you something, girl. You see, anything them say no come down here for come spy. Those paper my man. Let me try to tell him what you say a while ago. Leave my man.
Anyhow you go on this, I go tap me, put one in your tour.
I know your man. You know, I know your man. Love him and talk to Shan and make Shan love him too. You know, see the ancestors of man. You want
it's her man. I want to know man.
No.
Alright. No, me never did that work. I worry for something, girl. You missed that.
Me I beg you, please stop what you do here. Take a new part and load the boy.
Low top till me find when me find and you go back to top.
So girl, me not understand.
So hold on, what him wanted for?
I don't know, they just send me up here and I don't like to ask questions. I just do my job and then I get paid and then I go on about my business.
I don't want it for nothing. I just you a tell Kena for this to make me love him alone.
Oh.
Alright. Me know say are you a tell Kena.
Me not tell her nothing. Me get the dream. What if me get the dream and me no want you? Me no want nothing, do you?
No, not do me. You don't like see me happy. I that with you. Actually, you want him to marry Shan and you want to Shan pamphlet.
Me know me hear that. Me no even want Shan with him. Shan is a beautiful girl. Me no want nothing to her.
I like Kena too.
I like me I tell. Live with it.
You ever know Kena for tell lie?
Mommy, all of us saw the Kena come down here for look job. All of us saw the Kena turn spy.
You know hear say she there in the police, she in the popo.
You know Kena as a police? You ever see Kena in a police uniform before?
I'm undercover, sweetie pie.
One.
You want me to spell it for you?
Listen to me. We can't take them somewhere.
If you don't listen to Kena, listen to me.
Listen.
And don't forget him.
Me I go leave my man. Me can't take food.
No, man. Don't leave the yard, baby. Don't leave the yard. Please, come back.
How me ever do in a life?
How you talking about?
No, man, I just want to know what me ever do you.
How am you now?
When we have sex, how would we eat?
You say no style, man, raw dog.
Amen.
You talking about?
So how me find condom under the bed?
What?
Yeah, pull already.
So you keep X-Man in the come right on the bed? You come in with the X-Man?
Oh, so you want to turn it around for me now to me catch you in a game?
How can I reach on the bed?
Are you for tell me that?
When I get a phone call from one day, and I know say come like a some man upon the phone or something, you know, I know say that same rummed weeded boy they are chat, you know. How you fi care me not come right bam bed with condom?
Me know what me a do, so me know and a 2 hours in here, so I must you. Anyways, me a go on the road.
Me no use condom.
Me a go on the road. Left it to God.
Go on with
yeah?
you.
Left it to God.
You see it look like a some man I go down to pan the road, you know. Where you go down pan the road go do?
Me a go free my mind. Yeah, alright, me nah make you mad me.
Free
Can you
with
see you now? You never do nothing yet.
Say man can't free now.
You never do nothing yet. If it was a female, you could have been married.
Are you?
You're
ex-man not
pure.
right on the bed. I mean, know that cause the talk about condom that come to my mind. You know, so I use condom. And me tell you this, as if you never find out this thing goes so a problem in this year. Remember, me tell you that, so you better go free your mind for you know.
You is a wicked man. Me gone later.
Come see, man.
Me gone.
Make sure you come back your mind free. Jesus Christ. Come on, see your kitchen. Come here, bombard. Tell me, say, you'll never take up the condom. I say, I said, I do come like you want to take up my life. Hey, it's alright.
Wow. Earn a man. Sean. Oh, come here, man, girl. I move so.
You again?
Come here, man. Not stop foolishness, man. Nobody with them bad vibes right now, man. Forward. What go on?
Nothing not going. You see something happen?
Right, man, tell us I'm sorry for what going on the other day, you know. Yeah, right now, I want to try to change up my life, and so I'm sitting. So I stop smoke, I stop drink. Right now, I want me to go back together or something, you know.
Go back together?
Yeah, serious.
The first time was a mistake, so why you think me to come back?
Thought a mistake, now a serious business me I do, you know. Want to start something serious with me, you know. Start on one business and some style, you know.
And you stop smoke?
Stop smoke, stop drink. No really, but
so we're going to start the business with? Oh, come here, company and me out.
How about that with that, man?
Oh, you missed the sweets. The money run out.
Sweets? What do you mean by sweets? Look at chumchin where me take from you, man. That is nothing. The crumbs at them, my friend.
I'm going to tell you this.
Then we talk about a bakery.
You see, as long as you live, all after you die, we will never be together. Never, ever, ever. So now come to me with the foolishness.
What do you mean by that? Now worry yourself, man. Now soon come crack back to me, you know, cause me here say, some people look for you, man, you know. So when they hold him and lock him up, y'all come back to me, man.
Come back to you, now. Come do what?
I mean, come back to me, come live together, man.
Happy you see, couple. If me and my man for left, me would look for you is a better man me go for than the man who I have now, and you is nothing. So better you just go on. Me na business who want look for him, me will hide him when them come. You no worry about that. We are forever, so get that out of your head. Me no want you. Go ahead. Fear bad dog.
Worry yourself, man. I soon crawl back, man. No.
What's everyone got me and book up for you?
Girl, you're the right person, I see. I shop me are going about. Me glad me see you. You know, so I feel like the boy a cheat for me.
Girl, come go somewhere with for the son. The car son at 20 years. Which for you go?
Go under a tree, your son. But girl, what you think?
This son, you can't talk about this.
Alright. What you think? Cause I go in and I'm there sweep out the house. I'm go sweep under the bed. Cause a weekly I sweep under the bed. I sweep everywhere else every day, you know. But every week, I sweep under the bed.
Girl, if I sweep underneath your bed every day.
Girl, anyways. You just know what I see under the bed?
What?
Unwrapped condom.
Condom?
The condom not in there, but the wrapper under the bed. And me and him not use condom, so I don't know where condom for come from.
Girl, I forgot to tell you. Mama tell you before, I tell you the story. Girl, leave the man alone. I tell you, him no want you. Girl, him no want you for true in a review.
How him want?
Listen to the story now. Him no want you for true, him a cheap you for true, I believe it. You don't know what say. Him by the day when come to your yard. Alright. You left me there, right? The boy said me can go shop go buy something for him. Cause him be on the phone for time no want me hear the conversation. So me say, oh, all of a sudden when you got him want me go buy something. Anyways, I stand up there now at the door, I listen to the conversation. He might tell one girl, she gone, B, she gone, you can come over. Yes, girl. So then I say, me go hide behind the door and some of the girl pass. One big body thick, nice girl. Pass. Same color. Hello, wifey. Yeah, girl, in your house. So anyways, now, I'm go back in there. So where's him for buy again? Him frightened when him see my girl. The boy nearly dropped down.
Hold on. So, you see so much from outside?
Don't worry yourself. I have 2026 vision.
No, but the next thing, and me and your friend, oh.
Girl, I forgot. I tell you, say mommy and her foolishness kind of just They on my
Oh,
head.
me just hear this. If me never bring it up to you, you would tell me.
Girl, relax now. I look me this me come look fine at evening today and tell you, girl, from I go home. I walk me walk
No,
out
man,
mommy.
what is so going on in my life?
Loud the boy alone, loud the dirty boy. Girl, no take sweets from the man. Because me make a fry pan plain. That
Listen what me I say to
loyalty,
you.
girl.
You see, if me follow the man, me have to go allow you too, because right now, this feel like him my your friend, cause you keep secret for him.
And a secret, girl.
No, a secret, but make it stay. You hear me? I tell you, you see from today, make sure him are your friend, because me can't have no friend when you say my man a give me bun and keep it to themselves.
That's why I'm gonna tell people.
Listen,
one
about your ways, girl. As long as,
watch out.
as a, alright.
Girl,
you know, I'm not gonna let this get between we, you know. Just go on. Me, I go about my
Sean,
business.
later. You hear?
Alright.
That's why I love people relationship alone. Because you see, every time when I go on people relationship, them some you always, me ever get this shit. Why me ever get this shit at the end of the stick? I should go on. More should her pal if him say I can't go up on the plane.
Oh, so the hot but please have no cool man.
Wow. That is bad, girl.
How what do you, sir?
What mean not do me?
Me hate you, you know.
What mean you hate me?
How?
Me know where you're going with it, you know.
What me
And
I
if you
go?
tappy,
I'm for top.
you take your friend, man. How you stay so?
Which friend man? Which friend man me? Why you take? Which friend man me I take?
What me do so?
You know what I feel like? This
Me
is
see you down at a bar with your friend, man, down there. Yeah.
jeez. You know you're a little wicked boy. Who you see down a bar?
Now you me see. Now you.
Mama tell you something. It's when you see me, you avoid me. Because I come like say, you run man away like get to your head. You feel you can tell me for idiot?
Yo, what's your man bother with that, man? You come like a man beater.
You want a reason to talk to me, right? I don't have your time, darling. You're not my spec.
So you can't make time.
Time for who?
Like how you take your friend, man, I can't take me to you.
What a who's friend,
No,
man?
you take your friend, man.
You see me take my friend, man?
You sit down at a bar with her, with him.
To my friend, I want you. Show me
go.
friend, do not want you tell lie. Don't tell a lie for me and I make nobody get it out of your mouth, you know.
So I lie me I tell.
I lie you tell. You see me? Who you see? You see in doubles.
You see the right thing, man. Like, just take it 2 away and done. Me stay on his side.
You know me hate you. Yeah, you see how me not my friend, man. You're not in a fame level, my level, or fear level. I want to you.
What you say, man? So when I run down, him soon gone down, you know.
Him soon gone down.
Yeah, him soon gone down.
Him soon gone
Yes, when they hold him and lock him down, you soon find out, man.
Yes, because the boy want to murder my friend now and put her on plane. You're jealous, say you want him lock.
Jealous? I'm not jealous, man. I'm not jealous about something there.
Don't come go like you want put. Don't put no bad mouth. Don't put a good mouth on my friend, man. You hear me tell you?
Alright.
Avoid me when you see me. I'm not going to tell you again. You hear? Can you see all if you're the last man on this earth, you will never see me come to you and beg you a dollar. Avoid me. I'm not going to tell you again. Oh, cool kid.
Boy. May I tell him?
Wow! Champions! How you go? You could class so. Like you know.
You like who?
But yeah, it's a girl like you want on my tune. I have a castic and I will want a woman to settle in that castic.
Me daddy.
No, when you're done with your man, you know,
How you do?
I pass and him see me.
I mean, I can't look for. You know, see when I can't look for me on the top on the road.
Yes, baby, the man did I say
No,
so.
baby.
You don't know that.
What do you mean by baby? Me don't know you. Me don't know you know one dark skin girl there with.
Come see, brother. I mean, like every woman on the avenue.
Don't
You see, you
worry.
don't know that man.
I some today he's mine.
Backside!
You know, man.
Man, I love people business.
Hey!
Come in here, man.
Yo, listen to me, Empress.
Come in here, man.
Oi, may I talk to you? May I talk to you? May I give you one, you know, Empress. Empress,
Come in.
anything you think you fear, you know, I don't fear.
I'm mine alone. From today, I'm my man.
Empress.
My man alone. Nobody else.
Okay.
Lift up you.
Who laugh last? Always going to get the best last, yeah? You come and nearly get the girl, man, and the man just come out and take the girl from me. Oh God, I'm tired. Sex. Come here, me have something to ask you, you know. Me have something to tell you too.
Sir.
You see? You always a don't, you know. Cause every time man I look on you want a real man.
Yeah, ever have something for tell me differently? What is it today?
You trust a man?
Me not trust no man but Father God.
So you not trust me?
From where?
Me work with Father God, you know. I am going to be the next deacon in the church.
Left that day alone. No blaspheme right so when me there. Me afraid of God.
No, you don't believe in I.
Mm-mm.
I see the righteous and I upon the right path right now. You know much girl want me and me turn them down. Girl want me like a big guy.
Wake up.
Huh?
Focus. What you telling me say?
No, alright, you me say now. You're a man. Me see you're a man, I go with a nice girl. With tappy girl and a looky girl and I always see fear man come out and say, yo, and my girl is. So me I say backside. And the girl hot in a man. Nice breast, me and more greasy and juicy. I said, Jesus. Me vex.
Why you vex?
Because me not get the girl. The moment me I talk to the girl, the man come out.
Which man?
Yeah, man.
Which man?
When you tapa what?
Top link.
Yeah, him same one.
You must be joking.
So you don't believe me? I believe you, I believe I.
Papa, you drunk in the chat?
Me tell you already, I'm done with the rum drinking business at deacon me I study for. And then from deacon to bishop and from bishop to pastor.
So what you mean by? Cause I must joking in the pan. What you mean by my man? Which girl that?
She, me no know.
Get to the point, me know her.
Me no know. Me think me see you one time, man. Me think me see you. Me saw you for true one time, but can't put a finger to it. But two of the girl look nice, you know. I just have breast them here pray, you know. Come here, I say them breast, oh God, them breast juicy.
So, you didn't want somebody to talk about the woman with her, you tell me about my man. Cause I don't understand. Cause the son who love walk and mash up people life, you know. You see the temper with me there right now, you better leave me alone, you know. Little uncivilized Philistine.
You see? Man, I telling me the truth, you know. A man,
oh, my man. I true you want the girl, you want to use my man. And true the girl no want you. You want me to go beat up the girl so you can get her.
Not really. The man really want to beat up.
My man no love big breast girl. Him like them size here.
I so feel. We love when the breast them. Yeah, I saw we love them. It's when they're stiff, so I would just have that one I saw where I suck pan and I said,
Papa, you like anything you can get, cause you don't get a lot of breasts in your life. I think your mother breasts are the only breasts you will ever suck.
Kinda for true. But the man, oh, it got break me heart, man. Look
she can break your heart, and you see when she done break your heart, I want break your jawbone, cause you see my life and my relationship, me no play with it. You see when you see my man, lock your ear, and bring down the propaganda upon him and spread the rumors upon him. Him no want nobody but me. Me is the first lady. So go find yourself a woman and love people relationship alone.
I want to tell no woman, you know. You see when you not turn down man, at that time the man elevate himself and go forward.
Me never did that for turn you down, cause you never did that for a chance in the first place. I know you know that.
After you know lotto. You know lotto?
What you mean by me is a ticket to your dreams?
Where?
You know say?
A ticket to Bellevue.
You don't say?
A ticket to Bellevue.
Which Bellevue? You don't see the man them, I'm take a one idiot man me ever taken in my life. And I careless neighbor around this so.
No, the man alone, the man soon bust and the man tap drink
from. Soon bust from what? Poverty?
Then you have to come from poverty to reach where you can go to the highest level. There's nobody on this earth start from the rich.
But just want me for poverty or the weed smoking him go bust me from. Cause I could never poverty cause I be a weed him about him and where I go bust me from.
Don't worry about that. You can't judge a book by the cover. One day the book can become a surprise. You can't open the book and you see gold in it.
You see when the hurricane pass what there? Film book wet up it soak. No! Future not there for him. All him need for go do right now is for go book film place down so. Yeah, listen me. Hey, you see you left from present to past. Go about your business, dirty man.
Careless man, junkie man.
Alright, me done talk
Left
to you
my
now.
life alone and go fix up your life.
Alright.
Watch him now.
Alright, no worry your head.
From Gilbert, you don't see a woman in a year bed.
Hey, babes. God, no. Got the same way, man.
Yes, I just say you left alone.
What you talk about?
As my foot tell you that, I don't know what's the message on the road I want to go when I come down here.
I do what? In terms of road in gone.
Up the road? She tell us she got up the road, got it?
No?
Okay. Mama tell me and her friend, so she not gonna tell me no lie. She got around the road, go link her, man. Yes, big relationship them in her. And she,
So, anytime she left here,
her man, she got link.
a man she go to you know that how long, that's how you behave so.
Yes, B. Cause you feel be mine alone. Cause no the cheap I you know. I alone me have and I alone me will have. So I left the girl and make she go and buy business. She don't want you. She want help a man.
True, maybe. I have to go try to do something for you to get corrupt against him, you know.
Jesus Christ. I owe that.
Oh.
Jesus Christ. Why? Sean! What the girl, Sean? Jesus Christ! Sean! The girl run to the window! Sean! Why? See the girl, I just missed the girl on the way. Jesus Christ! Girl, you come too late! The judge come to the door and see my the girl in here.
Make sure you thump up her face.
You say, girl, and what I say, you see? I push me down.
Yeah, lock her up in here and beat her.
Me come get him and the girl in here lie down on bed. So me say, hey girl, what you doing on my friend house? The girl, well, push up on my man. I grab her, yes, girl. So I'm trying that.
Yeah, man.
Yo.
What you mean by?
Yes.
Help me beat him now.
Yes.
Yo, come see me, man.
What you mean by?
Him here cheaper. Hey.
Oh, yeah, do what?
Girl, I'm going to deal for him. Now get yourself in a trouble for him.
What am I doing?
Son.
I say,
I want kid boy. I'm telling you that boy a long time.
I want him to now go. Do you know in here today now? To me now want to go to prison, you know?
Tell us, I'm see the girl coming here, you see? I rock it thing.
What I do?
What me I do?
Run him out to your place, girl.
Say, you see if me never find Christ, yeah, that's how me do with you.
You want to the bed, the girl take up on your bed.
My bed.
Your bed where you're not.
Yo, come see now, man. Watch out.
Get up out of my bed.
Come see, man. How you do?
You're a wicked boy. You're a very wicked boy. After my friend tell me so I married you, you really do my friend this?
Can you always go in and tell me where I go?
You so long, them a want me, boy. Yeah,
me tell you, girl. And you cuss me for all I'm going to tell you. I look at a fast.
Give me money now.
To the window.
So you have an ex-man to deal with too. Where you talk about?
Which
you
man?
Take your for phone.
My friend loyal to you. Friend loyal to you. Run him out to your place, girl.
No, I'm not running him out. I'm going to make him stay when I come from here. You have 1 week for leave, yeah.
Are you pay your rent?
You have 1 week. Me go down to my mother, go spend the 1 week.
Pay rent.
Or me come back, you better not be here.
Pay rent. I'm a friend bill our place. What you talk about? Pay with rent.
I mean, I spend all that money to buy everything in here, so that me make it.
Girl, I look at you much to the girl to the window and chuck you pan her.
Everything when you say I buy them. Tell her that I may pay to them.
Put
you
me
can't
up
talk to
as
me.
everything in my name. You think me an idiot, girl?
Yeah.
Everything my buy in my name.
Yeah,
Everything in my name.
You have plans
Yeah.
that the ex-man I go to.
All the material them we buy for this, and my
Girl, so I'll get the girl all left her phone in here.
1 week.
Yeah, inform her and I'll be a chatty up a mouth in a man.
My friend, me gonna defend her.
Yeah, man.
It's my friend. My friend.
Yeah, I'm pulling down on it too.
Here you are.
Come out. I need to come out.
You're mad and I may pay for all of them.
God go with you.
Girl, come. Girl.
Remember 1 week you have no longer than 1 week if the cops are come take you out.
My first box, man.
Big idiot boy. True, you make me test somewhere in a life now you feel like
Me say, girl, I through the window, I see the girl, I chuck me for chuck 2 pan her. See, a long time I tell her if I left the boy, and you not hear me. I feel like, girl, I want to see you, allow him alone. Him not mean you no good.
Yeah, I can't believe him do me this. I think
not
him was
mean
the
you
one.
no-
I think we finally find the
Him not
right
mean
man for me.
I want baby girl. I want.
One girl go over Sean, you take Sean, man.
One girl.
One girl.
And one tall, light-skinned man see me up there saying, you know the man there, wherever they on the corner look woman.
The washer woman.
And tell me say big breast woman and sexy thick woman down a yard there. Me never believe it. Me I cuss the man dog. Rat me I tell you, auntie.
Oh,
I
God.
say I cuss the man so till.
Oh, God, baby.
I want to come down here and know say a pinky me seen at the house and a ball out say woman just jump through the window. Me say if I did ever catch her, you see?
Oh, God.
My beat
If I
her.
did catch her.
Brown girl.
Big batty.
Oh, God.
Them put you out. You see?
Then I put on my friend. Go on. I want to tell.
And Pinky was the only one you seen at the room.
Yeah, my the girl. Beat her, come out of the girl, yeah.
You beat the girl.
I beat her, you see, Jackie Chan.
Okay, you beat the
Yeah,
girl.
Pinky beat her because I never see her. I never see her. I'm going in there. She said she jump through the window.
Run like you said, boy.
All I phone she left in there, yes.
All
I
our phone. Oh, God. So you never get in there straight away?
No, I'm going there Pinky animal.
She did not take too long. She did not take too long.
Oh.
Relax.
Oh, God, hush.
Relax. So what happened? Them put her out?
Well, with
Oh,
that.
they put me out of my own place.
Have my friend, please.
So what happened? Make you have a bag. What happened?
You know we are at long time.
Him see the girl.
You see the girl when she are going there.
Yes, me see her when
You see me? Me look a dirty boy.
She, my friend.
Yes.
I look a wicked boy.
Right,
Me, you see? Papa, you see me?
No tell no lie, pa, my friend.
Lie, pa, me. You too lie.
Man, the police lock you.
You see me?
It's a lie.
I lie, mommy.
You see my friend?
Right, to me, a lucky girl.
After me just say you tell one truth in your lifetime.
You see?
Hold
You
on.
see me?
Hold on. What you say? What you say? Me want to do what you say.
I see the nice juicy girl that come down and me I say, yeah, you know like one in the birthday in my bed.
Probably me see one me there.
You not for worry yourself. Me don't believe you. You believe that little junkie man, yeah?
I tell her I say, I put her in my castic on my yard.
Mommy, I don't want to get to female. They say you should have seen me
So
as
who
bride
the girl?
me.
Who the girl you say?
She me. And the man come out.
Hey, come on, cause
You want?
You see you is a wicked man.
Stop drink the rum.
I will never do that to my friend. You're a wicked man. You have to stop it.
So you see my daughter?
No,
Nancy
me not see her.
Pinky.
No, me
Me
not see her.
lie.
Shan, you going
Me not see her.
and why me no want no
Me no want no
mix up?
money. Me not see
The
her.
girl jumped through the window.
You don't catch her?
No.
You not see
You
her?
ever there roadside, you never see when she run come out.
See her. I him
You
tell the
see
girl when
her.
you go.
Yeah, me see her.
One big titty brown titty.
I him tell the girl when you
Yes,
go.
auntie. Yes.
Oh, God, and it's only Pinky CR. Okay.
Yeah,
Well,
The
me
man
never
see
did
her
that.
too. What you mean? Him see her too, mommy.
me look like a fool.
Him see a brown girl with nice thick breasts.
Mommy, I him tell.
And when you say big bumper.
Big bumper.
Mommy, I him tell the girl when Sean gone. Come and see him and the girl up this. Sean him know the
Oh,
girl. Yeah?
okay.
Me see him and the girl a friend. The girl a pay him for keep him out. I say, and the girl a pay him. They say, "Chuma beat her." They say, "Chuma beat her, Sean." She pay him for put it for
My
me.
friend,
You see you?
excitement for my friend about Jezebel. You
Yeah,
know
wicked
Jezebel
man.
that
What kind of lie you tell for me?
You see?
God go and vomit your mouth.
God don't banish your life.
You
You.
sit down,
Hey, no
follow
make
me,
him
you
curse
can't do
you, cause you will curse when somebody will curse you. Come on.
What? I'm
With them
dirty
right
boy.
things.
You lie.
Shut me, I'm a friendship. Why?
You know youth.
What I be here? What you do here?
Give me a calling, man. Me can't believe, say. My woman break up and something, man.
What you mean you can't believe a woman break up? You never want to break up.
Yeah, go and think about it and I wonder how that just happened, so. You know, sir. Hey, you know, say you want wicked liar girl, you. What kind of style to pull off in the house, what there?
Hello, don't call me a girl. I am a lady. Please remember. And let me tell you something. Would I have to pull off a style? You want to know say it's me?
Me like can't talk about all what there, you. Yo, what kind of style to pull off? Just not too long.
Me I want to you. You want to know say I'm me and you there? We have to use craft and pattern. You have to know your code. I want to you.
So you gonna stay with me forever?
Stay with you forever? Yes, you know I love you and you can stay here with me because Sean want her place. Make sure go on. Come and share gay bun too. So you go stay in here so with me and my mother.
So, me and your mother.
When I beat this but Jesus Christ, I want to tell that woman she ever come at the wrong time.
Shan, man, what you doing here?
Which Sean man?
Shan, man.
Pinky man. Pinky man.
What me call this?
Other girl, man. Best friend, man.
What is wrong with you? You ever come at the wrong time?
Talk to her. Talk to her.
Stop it, I'm myself here, please.
As your friend, Shanna, your best friend.
Mama is what? Where you come from? You ever work in a people conversation?
Me talk to you about this. Huh? Me dream. You don't listen to me.
Dream don't walk straight.
Mommy, why you always a fight against the thing?
Exactly, like you don't want to see me fly pan plane. You don't want to see me happy.
Why you always behave like that?
My man.
You know, see something wrong, so you have to grab him hand and put it around you. You know, say it not come naturally.
I respect
you
me.
You never want to grab your hand and put it around.
No, be what you talk about. You're mad. So I respect me, sure.
It's my man now. If my son left, you just hear it from her out her own mouth.
Yes. The girl who jumped through the window. Huh?
Mama,
and you beat up the girl. You know no conscience. You feel no way.
When me feel away for going and play. And yes, me beat up the girl.
How you beat yourself up, little girl? You turn mad somebody? You stand there and beat up yourself?
No, I beat up a relationship. And
you not even feel guilty?
Guilty for what?
Pinky, I know some reason, you know.
What is wrong with you, lady? You come at us for me. Shh, I'm a mother. You come at us for me problem between me and my man. We're so married.
Yeah.
And I'm going to live in here so with we. Know that.
If you like, you should have put ring pan it and no ring on the pan it.
Him super ring pan it, don't watch it.
Man, I order it already.
Yes.
What you talk about?
And him is living in here so I son put him out. So him going to sleep in my room.
I have money, I can buy grocery them and everything. Give you money every day.
I'm going to take care of it now.
Thing no normal.
Why? Where the camera them there? Eh?
Which camera?
Come live in a witch house.
This your house?
Which house?
My papa bill.
Which papa?
Come to down, man.
Talk to her.
Show me your papa receipt them. You know how Neil driving at this. You know how Black blind at this. This bill before you in your papa pants.
Oh, go inherit it. Me go inherit it. I'm the only child that you have. So listen, you see, you're not gone yet. Don't worry yourself. You're not gone to know. But
no me and my man, me have ring pan it up for me this. And me say, you know, Pinky man, come on, use your head. Me not raise no disabled picnic. Use your head.
Come
live with so.
Right in here, so
you know him like that.
You know what? We're in love.
No. Okay. Or is he in love? Him in love. When me no business.
You're very happy for me.
Oh my God, sweet
baby.
Police.
Where you going to for?
I'm a cousin.
I'm a cousin. She not in a sense. She and my mother work together.
Girl, step in eyes.
Hey, cousin.
Right, mommy, she in a uniform.
Step in eyes.
Hey, cousin.
And where you get uniform from?
It look nice.
It's coming
though,
like,
baby.
thank you. I like the hair.
See? Men, police now go low that.
You're undercover and you're coming like.
So can I get it really serious?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Come to it, people. You know what procedure.
Who's procedure?
Like I mean, no matter with you, because you can't come for me, because first thing, you don't see me with no money. And you don't have no evidence to carry me down. Me tell you that, so you have to talk to me liar.
Oh, this
I think you can carry here, say a quote.
Well, liar.
Nobody
not
talk to me.
Here,
Listen, Panky man.
Them send me up here and I came to do my.
Me no have no money. You see me with no money.
Tell her, Bill, I'm a man. I'm not going to live in here with you.
You know what?
No. Not
she can't touch me. She have to talk to my liar.
Which money she talk about?
No, a little years of business when me here, what do you talk about?
Make sure say a ear because she tell me something in her open is that truth.
You're mad, babes.
Oh, come myself be up on the plane.
You know that, man?
Tweet convert off.
Stop calling me name and it's not twip, so I can spoil
it's
me.
It's twip. Yes, it's a mistake.
Tell her.
Mistake.
Tell her, now ramp with me.
Chup.
I
don't really give a damn tweet.
Where evidence? Where you contact?
No, they're not.
Take him where, mommy? Want to you?
When we are
home. Invade my privacy and my mental attitude.
You can't talk to me. First thing you can't even put that on my hand. Because me sue you right now. Me call my liar right now and sue you. You can't talk to me.
No, then just make you come for questioning.
No, not even question. Me not talk to question.
Tweep. Make you arrest. Yes, if I do this now, make you like, what you calling now?
Listen to me. I'm a liar. You don't have to talk to. You can't question
So
me.
you
Me
still
no
have to
chatting.
shut up and
Babes.
come down there. When you reach it 24 hours, then
Yes,
we
listen.
No.
Can I know your babes?
Kena,
Can I know your
me and your
babes?
babes. Kena not do nothing to you. You listen to, if you really listen to Kena, Kena not do nothing.
Babes, me no want to sue your family. You say for your family, you try to
Sue
talk to
who?
her. You know.
So who? Arrest him for invading my mental attitude.
Mommy, stop in that, because you put things in that Kena head.
No, I'm reporting.
But you have report.
Your mother really tell lie for me.
You're not Tanya, you know. You're not
She's
Tanya.
senile.
Me I'm mad somebody else.
No, so that I'm mad.
You're not.
Alright, what's on, mommy, listen. Calm down. Listen. Listen. You're not stay here. You're not stay here, yeah?
Stop them cafe, yes, so man, like, yeah, lash them drop off. You say, me only give you half a chance. Leave one.
Half a chance.
Right? Watch me. No, look here.
I'm a liar. You have to talk to.
Calm down, you should have your chance.
You.
Mommy, tap it nice, no?
Why night dark must come in highlight, right? So watch here. Let me say you still get catch.
Who?
Say better say me catch.
What me look like to you?
I don't give a damn. You
Look like one rat to get to out of bush.
Don't take him away.
Mommy, take it nice, no, you don't want me married.
You can't set me up.
Not that.
Why?
That can't come into my family.
I said to the cousin, I set up my life.
She not set up your, you have to tap it nice.
Your cousin and your mother know your cousin.
Listen, you're not staying here, right?
You're not staying here,
You can't
tell
stay
him.
here, right? You can't stay here because I'm a mother place. You can't
Me follow
stay
me
here.
to not for me to out of street.
Alright. Me know say me can't stay
No,
here.
you said you will come back.
Me know say me can't stay here.
Thank you for respecting that. Bye-bye. Good luck. Bye-bye. Good luck.
Mommy, I want me to you.
Bye-bye. Good luck.
Don't listen to her. Come, babes.
That's
Mommy, I know me don't like your style.
How you gonna really bring in that dead cruff in my yard?
Him is not a cruff. Him have money.
Him have money. Him have money. You fool. A promise is a comfort to a damn fool. In this case, a damn big titty idiot. Him not tanning ya.
Him not
That's why you come out.
Alright, him not tanning
We
ya.
should have do that when you reach 18, you know. We should have do that when you reach 18. But me farm fool. I said no, cause she not nowhere, and people will look at me as a bad mother, and she a try.
When me go stay, you put me out.
You should have decided that when you take your friend, man, there's consequences for everything.
Man, people
well,
hear you.
You're ashamed now. You grow little conscience now.
Mama, listen, remember say man Shan left. Say it's my man.
So which girl you gonna beat up?
You know what this?
Self beat up.
Me not for beat up, Mr. Me that.
Oh, me not.
You know, sister Shan no sense.
Oh, you not no sense.
And
you not no heart neither. Your best friend.
I'm my best friend. Same way. I wanna take for me man too.
Let me tell you
Stop
something.
it now.
Let me tell you something here and now. If you can do that to your best friend, what you gonna do me as your mother?
Yeah,
I'm bring man in my yard for me.
Mommy,
and I have to go
you know what Shan will do to me? You know what Shan will do to me? No. Oh yeah, go get professor about me, sir.
What you do is wrong. It's wrong.
Well,
what if she did do it to you for true?
You wouldn't like it. I don't know if she do it to me. Well, right or wrong, can't bring up and playing. Yeah, right. Listen, just calm down yourself and go on to the house.
Me I go on, but all me know say, he not come back. Me can't stop you for my feelings. But no, for the record, me not like him. I mean, I like him.
Me no business be like him.
You meet him out the street. Yeah.
Me no business be not like him. Are you mad with him? Mad with me?
Do what you want upon that. Sit my stomach. All me do is pray for you. But he not come here.
You need prayer yourself.
Him not come here.
Him not come here. Bye bye. Yes, him not come here because I full room. Say out of that woman, but him not come here. What him do too? Come in for shut up him mouth, you know.
My dear. Kaka. Let me see it. Me never see it with so much money before.
Guess what?
Let me see it.
Me no know money, look.
Me never see the Benjamin one them before. Okay. Wow. 900. What? Hold on. Make we do little maths. Let me teach you little maths. Because you're a big man now. So how much $100 is in Jamaican?
$15,000.
$15,000. All right. This are the phone you mash up. The new phone me buy you. And you mash it up and laugh.
What kind of carelessness this?
This flow come after the storm, you know. And we the people have to pay for all the work them say them do. So this is the flow bill like every minute you depend on phone, you depend on internet, you depend on computer, and you depend on tablet. And how much egg you boil today? 8?
Mommy, you're sick. You're half sick.
Hey, me nah rob you. Can't say me not give you nothing.
Oh, really? Give me my money. What kind of carelessness is this?
No. You have to pay your bills, my girl.
I tell you, like my man.
Well, your man have to do
give
this.
me money. You want to come take it for pay your sick.
That's his money?
For his money.
Let me see money.
Me no want nothing to do with it.
I want everybody come on.
Me think so honest work.
Let me see money.
See there.
People man gear me niece.
Girl, this not real. You know, see a counterfeit money this.
What you mean counterfeit money? Girl, give me money. I will pay them man have.
No.
A fake money?
Oh, yes. You always have one glitter right here when you're holding nice on if you have glitter and the color enough is a white. Which you always just is a white.
Hold on. Let me see.
All your color, what you see? You see no glitter right there?
Well, I see your man have money.
Yeah, all your counterfeit.
Your man have money.
Mommy,
Girl. Wait, girl.
Yeah, I don't want to bring my friend from playing weed.
Why?
Oh, yeah.
Girl, that's sure.
Why?
Me no police. And then thank you God, I got a breakthrough. Alright, so here we are gonna do. Is it that you help me or make care God jail? Make up your mind.
Can I make a jail for what?
Are you a fair honey counterfeit money in there?
Me no know about it. Me no know if I'm finding it the years.
A fair honey in there, so is it that you go jail for counterfeit or you go for thief people, man? Make up your mind.
Which people, man? It's my man.
It's not your man, girl. What's wrong with you? Come on, make up your mind. Hurry up and choose.
Alright, watch out.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Kena? She's my daughter.
Yep.
Pinky, me love you. But boy, the dream me get and everything. Nobody do. Me I beg you. Nobody lock her up for the money. She don't know nothing about the money. Lock her up for the thieving, man. Cause she not gonna get no time. Better you go take some time. Cause only few days you gonna get. And take some time for grow your brain and grow a conscience.
Few days to 10.
Nobody
can pay the bill.
No, me don't want it. So dirty money that. I'm not even money that. And you hold on to it.
Alright, watch out.
You have to go help me, you know. Why you give me that for?
Listen,
no, my fingerprint panny.
Better yet, see my anyways. Better yet, more epic. Okay, so like I'm gonna send the money and my man again a Sean man.
Okay, a Sean man no.
Yes.
Okay, come.
Whoa.
A Sean man no, and my man.
You're more that you're faster than a chameleon.
And now the money, so if Kevin pan the plane, and I see a fake money, a Sean man.
You're lucky they never book them up at airport for counterfeit or something.
And them like you see, a Sean man. You see, so you tell me say
and then that same man you run down.
Me not run him down, a Sean man, remember. Girl, come.
Jesus.
Come on, bring you. Come.
You don't have a choice.
Thank you for
me I go left my hat, man.
Kena.
Just come. I'm gonna leave it, boy. Give me fake money.
Me no business that your problem. Me they think you big enough in no sense.
Oh, it's my friend here. Don't get me there.
Give me money, girl.
Who give me money? I'm a
Who
cousin.
give you money?
I'm a cousin money.
I know for me money. A counterfeit money, it's fake.
Girl, don't worry yourself. I'm finding my road. And where you go?
A lie.
Adelio say go play with them.
Yes, me and you. We go play. Like how you used to look. Anyways, where you go?
Me just say what go down here so go save that boy if my place yet.
Oh, are you me a walk come look for? Me I know where she a walk go, but me a walk come.
Me a walk with her for look for our babes.
For babes.
You get boyfriend.
You
get boyfriend.
Yes, and our boyfriend give her money. We don't know why she hide it.
You get boyfriend, you get work. You going in?
She get money.
US.
Yes.
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 US.
You love people business here?
You know where she get the money there from?
Where me for know that from?
Your friend been busy banging and grinding here. She was been banging.
I was sending for watch her. If she want bang feet or
Me
anything
no
what
want
she
it,
want
girl.
do.
I'm a tough fact.
You me tell you to avoid me and come out of my business. What is wrong with you? Why you ever want to spread lies for me? Rumors.
I don't think of rumors.
Can
Listen, I don't be from yesterday.
Exactly, you need to go bed. Focus on yourself.
And I don't want to dig up yet and
You can't dig up nobody.
Girl.
Nobody. You say better go dig up the road and fix it. But you go and dig up. You can't dig up anybody.
Playing, man.
Mind your own business.
that we you open up your eye and listen. Just use your eye and listen.
You walk up here, you listen too much.
How are this? Cup number 2. What's the gate?
I want him get place from you so now.
So, I know something by over there.
In Bayway, the big house. What else? Come here, darling. Come here.
I want since him become fear that. Hey,
Come here. Girl, go on to your man. You're not about to left him for that one. I will take that one here.
Keep your hand on your side.
Hey, take the
Keep
money.
your hand on your side.
Me no want that the counterfeit money there.
Me a darling now.
Yes, you're my
My
darling.
darling now.
I'm my darling.
You never want me.
No,
You abuse me.
no,
Don't
baby.
do that.
I didn't
On your
listen up.
side.
You have to understand.
Me not understand.
Pinky,
Look
come
how the
on,
matter bros
understand
me.
what?
Girls, that man have money, you idiot. In big
A
house.
fee month for 2.
Big girl.
You believe him?
I believe him, girl. Look what the house
Girlfriend
be.
did and live and give me some money.
Where to get money?
What you mean? Me
Come
girlfriend
here,
did some money for me.
Come right
What's
here.
your village
Come
liar?
right here, explain everything, because it's like the man of here,
Yo,
preach
listen,
to
mommy,
him.
alright. One up
It's
to
the
see,
man
man.
property, yeah? The
No,
man grandfather dead over fine and
Send
dead
it a
left.
family. This is a family.
So you never tell me you have money,
I tell you
baby.
already, say, do not judge a book by the
It's
cover.
real money then. Oh, I know you may have to tell her them. It's real money
Oh, I'm
there.
to the money
Me
from
can there now, you
Them,
know.
what you mean, girl? No, say your ex.
Oh,
This
fire
one is
kick
to deal
easy
with
for
me.
catch.
This one knock, this one out.
What
I
I mean by that?
it.
120 is to name out my money.
That's how you used to.
So,
You
ladies,
can't go in
Rich
my
and out.
house.
No, man.
not because me not be here last night. Look how me good, I'm here.
Nobody no busy boy.
Nobody know
I know your time.
to him.
You have house? You buy anything? Anybody dead?
You have
anything
money?
give you about this suit or clothes?
You don't have no money.
Huh?
You don't have no money. Come now.
No,
Listen,
come.
man.
When I come
We
out,
can
when I
work out.
Work
We
out what?
can go into the
You never
bedroom.
want me, man. You never want me.
Huh?
You see big house and
Oh,
big
no,
gate
man.
and
No, no,
going
no.
You know
on
I always love you.
And
You have
I,
a special place in my
and me
heart.
just gonna love you. Yes.
in your heart,
In my heart.
your heart dark.
In my mind, I love you in my mind.
In your
baby.
mind.
Yes.
In your mind.
Yes, baby, I love you.
Hello, focus me and your friend. If you want to take me ex.
Are your ex girl? Remember you go down to your man. I say, I'm not a man. You go down to your man. I'm a man.
Yo, take up the money from me gate.
No, I see money them.
No,
Then
I don't want
listen.
to get me think.
Son, now you tell the man. When me did that.
Thing,
You
Remember
see
where
your
you
life.
come from. Where you come from, you have nothing.
You know, no roll on
What do you
fire,
mean by
you know,
that?
color, you can't spirit myself.
Take up the money and go on from me
You
gate.
see me that tell for them. I could have seen one. They back
Drown
here.
in a
That's how you
bath and
go.
body works. Nobody still know want you.
Me,
So just
me,
hold
me I
your
catch somebody
corner.
already. My eyes catch somebody already. I don't want to know again. Me nobody.
Hello,
You
Miss,
see
take your
me so bad
cousin,
too.
take your cousin and go on.
Son, where you
no.
going?
Come here, you go.
Don't do. You never want him. Remember, girl.
Don't left it. Take up it. No left it, you know.
Take up
Yeah,
your,
right.
take them
Take
now.
up me gate.
Wait.
Come here, you have a conversation. And come on, how come you are
Yeah,
my ex
a
now?
deep conversation.
This no look good.
Ken, I'm Sammy did I call you come.
What you?
Your boy money cost no.
What money cost?
So,
Money. You see that? They told him want me and now and they never want me now first.
So-
I want to do that.
Oh.
so,
Go on.
so,
People kill me.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, Terry, what's going on? Speak,
No,
man, speak.
no mind,
it was
last
a
time I never
joke.
really
A
take a
weird
shower. You
joke.
know,
I
some
love
of that
chatting.
put our back clothes, like,
Yeah,
We
man.
know.
Whenever
We
I
can't.
watch.
We can't tell.
2 hours ago, up from 11 o'clock. And our time.
The Lord said,
Yeah.
you shall
Since
give a
up here,
tithe to
Yeah.
what you made.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And so I am training for deacon. The Lord said, you shall give 20% of what you earn.
The Lord said you shall go and beg.
Jawbone said,
Exactly.
you don't go to church. So anything with pastor or deacon or whatever you look now right here, so come
Yeah,
here.
come go on.
Lady, don't touch me. How long
Who
time
you
want
to-
this you?
How you going this way?
Yo,
Any
yo,
you
yo,
touch me, me
yo,
charge you for
un-
assault a
un-
police
un-
officer.
un-
You know
un-
me a who?
Who
Eh?
call the police in?
I wonder right here, so.
Nice.
Wonder right here.
You know nobody live over
Wonder
there.
right here. Don't have to call them. Right here. Oh, that no, them they are undercover police maybe.
Go on from a gate from a call the FBI.
Alright, shut up. Yeah, this a police now.
Police.
Well, not a fair go. Bird a float now. Bird start.
So that's good for now.
Oh, Mr. Titty Tot, eh? How you really mean forgive my daughter counterfeit money? I trouble you want to get her in her?
Who give that a counterfeit money? How
No,
you call
you.
titty tat? Me look like titty tat to you.
Not ask me what you look like.
What's
And
your
make
mouth,
me
man,
tell the truth.
What's your mouth, man, and call me the name upon the road, man? How I'm here.
What kind of trouble you want to get my picnina? If you want on a roadside and burn your weed and thing, now bring my baby down with you.
Yo, tone on your voice. And take time to talk to me. Who give that a counterfeit money?
No, you. Me know you know.
So
Nobody
to me,
deny it. Me know you.
You see, even though your daughter didn't look like a counterfeit human being and then deserve counterfeit money, I didn't do that.
Okay.
My money then legit up already. And that make you know.
Okay.
So, what you
So
talk
when
about?
them a walk and look for you, and when my niece hold you and put the bracelet on you, you're good then.
Put bracelet on who?
Bracelet on you.
Sick in your head, man.
Yeah. How you get jitty the other day? You get jitty when
Yeah,
she
man,
come
no
and you
play them the game
realize
there.
though.
Put bracelet on full hand.
I'm in a business with you, you know. And what kind of demon road you want to walk down, you know.
Yo.
But not take my daughter down that the road with you.
Look like demons there. Anyway, me I go there, or daughter want go.
No, not take her with your man.
And me cash do that. And me cash make she
You
follow
want
me up.
cash, you know, no cash, a counterfeit you have. A
Sick in your
counterfeit you be.
Sick in your head, man.
Eh? Sick in my head, me know what
All
me
of my
talk
money
about
there,
though.
legit.
With your counterfeit.
Yeah.
Nobody bring me picnic down with you.
Right on time, man. You know, say we just fall to that up this up. Our level.
Mm.
I try if you seduce Jawbone. Cut to Jawbone by house.
Cock off, so
Me
you get left.
Me always trying to do like judge a book by the cover.
Who get left?
Say, some man give them counterfeit. Some give a counterfeit.
Yeah, no put a big finger over yourself for that you have to lose that, you know. Me tell you that,
Lose
you know.
what?
Cause no counterfeit in my thing.
Okay.
No response
Fake
to your
what?
daughter, them. Me I
Fake
take care of them.
t-shirt, fake jeans, fake Reebok too. Everything about him fake.
Sick in
I'll
the
give me
head.
daughter fake money
Look
too.
for my shirt. Barcode upon all of my things them I'm wear from my shoes. Come on.
So, shiny
see and watch your
barcode.
mouth.
So you
Your
feel
face damn bright.
the fake money in you? Counterfeit money?
You're mad. All the good bamboo stick you can get to that man you know. So nobody feel like.
I'm a virgin.
Hey, Shaq, get the good bamboo strip, but not from you.
You must
You have
know.
little stick, cause
You
you
must know.
lose her. But me no business with that, cause she a big
You must know,
woman,
if you
she
get all this a
feeling.
stick here, you want to pick me and want to have again.
What, counterfeit stick
You
too?
feel all young again.
Counterfeit stick, everything about you is counterfeit.
Wanna
I
just
fake it
trim you
it.
and put some wig for you and make you feel young again and show you how.
Everything about you fake. Everything about you fake.
What is this woman
Eh?
here?
Stay away from the picnic. She have a see make a
We
choice.
can get tired.
Hey boy, if
Get
I want to
two.
try cow down
Get
man thing in the
two.
youth.
Let's try to be your son-in-law.
Hey, nobody with it. That's your one so-called already.
That's your
Nobody
one.
with it.
But no judge.
That's your what?
No, man. You know, since everybody for stand far from you, man.
Listen to me, man.
You're
You can't
right.
choose for your daughter them. Stop watch out your daughter them life and make your picnic them have them fun and do what they want to do in their life.
And then they follow you straight to the
Stop
pit of
hold
hell
down.
and follow you straight go to prison.
Bexy,
What kind
you
of
not get
mother
the
it
money,
make
man.
me?
Bexy, you not get the money. You can talk about
What kind?
camouflage money and fake money.
A fake money, I
forgery
don't want it.
You're sick, man.
Me no want to go to prison for you and your
I mean, make you eat
fakeness.
almost every day up here.
Okay,
Yeah.
close
You
your
don't tell
eyes.
about me.
Close your eyes, young man, because that's the only place you make me
Anyway.
eat. You do the eating, so me here. And you know, you forbid.
What do we eating?
We not kitchen.
What do we eating? Hey, yeah, Elena, a lady, I don't want to give you 1 out of 5.
Give me what?
That me
Give
make
me
you know,
what?
I don't want to give
Give
you
me
1 out
what?
of 5. So
Give
nobody
me
can
what?
talk
Me
up
now
and
lift
sitting
it
about
up for
me.
your fit. Hey,
Here.
boy, you don't know me.
Watch
who
your
you know.
mouth.
Me
Watch
will
your
tell you
mouth,
about
lady.
policy, your body. You never
Boy,
know
happy
you.
day,
You
happy day,
know.
me.
No.
Mr. Titty
I'm
Tap
putting in
fake.
about dog.
No, video.
Here,
Won't do that.
and tell this old lady for watch him out as me make you pick him up off 5 ground out of the 5.
See me
Yeah.
here?
And that me make
Old
you know.
lady. Go on home.
Oh,
And I mean my chat.
Go on home.
Him not chatting me, you know why? Cause everything for me is real. So him can't see real, cause
Upon your
everything
reel.
for him a fake.
Upon your reel. And see,
A
here alone
fake
can hold.
everything.
Go on home.
So,
Go on home.
stand away from a picnic here and I carry her down to
No
the
one
picture
to go
here.
your picnic.
And you go get a bath, man.
You don't know
and
how
look
to go your
after
picnic them.
yourself, man.
The picnic ain't still like
God.
you.
You smell me?
So
Very
the mother,
much.
so the
Go
daughter.
look after yourself and you might succeed.
Alright, my baby, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So the mother, so the daughter. You didn't get everything from workless mother. Don't watch out my life. People are gonna come for me every minute now, yo. Yo.
Wow.
I know you have the money over there.
Yeah, man, over there, man, not at least.
Jesus, it look like me be at the right time and come on the road to box.
You finally
see,
bail.
I know, me know what say no. When you beard, you always in luck.
You can't let behave so bad, man.
Eh?
You can't hold it straight when you
Because
pass.
the little front of me, they want to take it over.
What make you ever see me?
But me not really too have no grudge against me, you know. So all I have to say, you can just pay me and me shut the two eye them and cock up me ears and my mouth.
But dog, I want front the panel lane.
Eh?
I want front the panel lane.
Not really, but that one is the one I want.
To pull in your eye.
Eh? Yes! The breast them just look juicy like a melon.
Must mouth it to pull it.
That's when I see me, I'm a man, stop, warm to you.
I know your man, a people man, a people man, girl, me not have nobody. Me live alone.
Them have to set it so.
Yo.
Me can't bust you know. Look on job one to the way to buy a house. Me can't bust you too.
What people, man?
You. Alright.
Yo, stop going like you want to fight against me thinking about man.
Me not fight against the thing. What? Me not brother want you, yeah?
Me
not talk. Me not see nothing.
Well, it's straight
Love
and tasty.
my business alone.
Me not see nothing, yeah? Over here do not go right? Stay long, no come out. Yeah, alright. Stay long. Alright. Listen now, man, you walk too damn slow, man. You walk so slow.
Just make sure I don't lie here till because I don't have time for waste, you know.
Me look like a liar. Me tell you, say, yo. Me say, me see two of them. As me say up there, say, you know, listen and not pay attention. Me see two of them and me say, take on the time over there, don't hurry up. So me no want them go left too quick and go do it. Cause you know, say, some man come quick. I mean, I want that up man then go get up and come out. Me want you catch a girl. Because
Make sure that you know, because see the monkey lotion you feel burn her up, you know. You think me run a joke with my man and no friend?
monkey lotion?
Monkey lotion this.
No, that guy wants to see how you work. Come on. Want to see how you work. Boy, me no know. Me I'm so bad looking.
Me say, me want if you no waste my time, you know.
No, me say, no, literally for true. Me go down there. I'm see girl, you know. You man, the man, I go over there. You think me that waste time come so far if you can't call you?
You waste people time all the while, but me don't know why me follow you, cause you're zero, zilch, nothing, not.
Oh. No, you don't do that so. Me just figure out something. If me say to her, say, take your time, and me not go inform, in a your mind, she go know, say, me go carry you come there, cause they say, me a informer, right? So, the chicks in the bush. Oh, okay, no. They are smart again. Me know where to go. Come on, follow me.
You know where to go. You see, any oil you bring me the right place, I do this, I go use pan. Even though there's a monkey already, come on.
Oh, please let them over there. Please let them over there. Come quick now. Quick. Me Charmaine there. Maybe this is me now.
Where your daughter there?
No, well, I don't calm down now, man.
No, what kind of
call out the man.
Which man?
Your daughter.
Me man, when no have round your lock up.
Little girl, me na harbor criminal in my yard.
Your daughter harboring.
Your man not there.
So you tell me
No, him there. Hold on, him there.
Which part him there? Him not there. Nobody not there.
Hey, y'all, bring all the people there, man.
Nobody is here.
Your son, see there, you know your daughter in there, you keep up with slackness.
Bring all the people there, man.
Public, come out.
But no, slackness can't go.
Where my man there, girl?
He can't be in there.
Tappling.
Cannot be in there. So don't be nice in my yard.
Tappling. Not him that. What? Not him that anti-charming.
What's
when I'm done with your daughter today, you go here. Oh, you tell my man. You tell my man. What you tell her? What you mean by is years of him take care of you.
I see. No, don't come near me. You're big. Hey, no, not touch her face and do any good thing our father give her.
Yeah, we're going to
You're gonna learn. Come and warn you. Don't touch me. Every action. May not tell you so this little junk here. Hey, come out to the yard. 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 Look where your cars. He that's your boy. Look at your cars. He go hospital. Me never response for you. Thank God she never catch her face. What you have to do with this?
Who, me?
What you have to do with all of this?
Who, me?
My daughter there with you too.
Who, me? Who? David, who?
So what you do ya?
Me don't know how me reach ya, but me reach ya. Tell your daughter if you take people, man, no. Unfortunately, she can't take no. Me never want her hold no good again.
Well,
anyway.
I forgot about that.
Like, I'm going to find the man here. Give me some money, no?
Hey, boy, come